Assessor Adom TV Seminole Edoson de Obetie bi NSA Edom kuma wa marche bedwa fietire mu abato komisa gina ye se indelible ink ya obi to abawi ode ne nsakoma num na edi adanse no a wasi wo me ye jai no wo mo gitumu a enye ye sanso na marche bedwa fo bi nso twemu a ebe ya nka budget ya wo mo approve no asoye be sika sem honsam so hwene sika se fata onfa ma abato komisa no onfa ye nhyehyɛ sansa abato afa na ye remu endom na ye bekɔ eye Eastman Prusi na no ada assembly members abato ekoso no abeto bia se mpanimfo mu aye na eba wo mo anye antum enti we ne nsɛm ahodo bi na ye de ebeto wanim na no pe kai say DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook ne Adom TV extra wushia me a ya frame anoche wa ba ajwa se wa fe nsɛm ntwe bono be de to so Oko my Ghana marche bedwafia asemba ko ye nra wo modi hu nkita ho paa no eye sa abato komisare de atodwa se nkane no de na ye hwe wo card no so ni ahwe wanim ni ahwe wanim a eda abato nwoma no emu ahwe se ye wa ni amo ato aba ni wie na mo de indelible ink na se wonse kuma no wo de awura mu eno no be na wo twe ne da so wo so di adanse so ato aba na wontumi nsan fa kire nkoto biem na ne wo se ye kwa be fontente afidi kwan so biometric ye voting the senti kokromotini kura wodi siso na senya fa nya de se be ma akwa mu ato biem ti hu hia se indelible ink no ye di be di dwuma na dam kuma na mu mpedefo bi che so mo gitumu a enye ye Roxy Nelson da fia mekpo South Diamond she bedwani nsem eni.
The issue of the non-use of the indelible ink breaches the law. Mr. Speaker, let me refer the House to Article 51 of the Constitution. Mr. Speaker, with your leave, let me read. The Electoral Commission shall, by constitutional instrument, make regulations for the effective performance. Mr. Speaker, the controlling phrase there is for the effective performance of its functions under the Constitution or any other law, and in particular for the registration of voters, the conduct of public elections and referenda, including provision for voting by proxy. So, Mr. Speaker, you cannot come to Parliament with an instrument where protocols have been clearly outlined in the instrument, and you, by an administrative fiat, decide that you will go according to the protocol.
If you see somebody sitting on the truth and looking for it, is engaged in an act of unmitigated deception. Mr. Speaker, on this matter of the Electoral Commission's decision not to comply with the use of the indelible ink is a flagrant violation of law. And Mr. Speaker, the Electoral Commission and the chairperson of the commission does not have a right to impose a discretion over law. I am quoting here, Mr. Speaker, specifically the Public Elections Regulations 2020 CI 127, Section 33(2)(c). Mr. Speaker, and I quote with your permission. C. A mark which shall so far as possible be permanent and shall be made on the voter.
Yenko Eastman Prusi Bensino Emo North East Mantabno Emo. Nanano brother ya assembly members election year course no so kopiemu ewo ye Eastman Prusi abatu mpesuano so a bia ya hodo bi a wo mototo aba na beto dwa se abatu no muaye no mpanifo so mo gitubu ye ni nyina na se wabra moto aba ne wiye no na wo bekenkan no na nipa bonefo bi kohwim ballot boxes mienu kosese tete abatu no manfo ato no nyina mu wie sane magu o manfo bi musoma wo mo eprepra ya mpanifo kiremu a wo mo gi sa emuaye no tumu asanse bia sei enye yenti wo so pebre foforo no san to aba no mu a onim baabi a wo free eba ho no mu a wo bebo ntrene e wo bra na o manfo eto aba no ase to hye ebinum so okoboku abato bro no so a entokwa esi wo ekitafo a onum nipa ekwa kosi akan entem ema nipa baako epra dendende a wode na kwoto ayaresabia eneyi enipa miensa no kosi akan apre assemblyman dibre eba na ekwa abato commission office a wo kire se isansa aba no woto wie yenso wantimi anka ye nwienti ebe yanka abato commission ehisa abato no foforo no manfo emeto aba
ballot box to the other candidates' house, and the other health center they have destroyed it. We're not able to count, and that's my stronghold. So I'm requesting the EC should come back and either you do a fresh elections.
There was a confrontation. People were beaten or something.
Yes, two of my agents were beaten, 3, and 1 was hospitalized. So even currently, he's at Lambisi Health Clinic and is attending to treatment there.
Oninyina Regional Deputy Director wada abato Commissioner no ya Opoku echere de course ewolu agri kukua ene Lambisi abato bro no so emu okade to aso se o de won krata sema kwa akoto abato Commissioner headquarters e won kra wo hye kwan se o de abato ofoforo be hye so amoma.
The instances of Lobby and Lambisi, I was looking at the incident that occurred, and based on the information that I've obtained, I would say that our recommendation is to the effect that there is a need to do some cancellation and probably rerun. But like I indicated, that is an option, one of the options available. But the Commission will study the comprehensive reports that will come from the region, and on the basis of that, we'll decide the most appropriate option available.
Yefri hona yenko kwan so jojo mu ensem emusoafo yohwe ya kwantempon hu ensem eso na soafo wo hwe akwani abadie hu ensem eso no eye kwaku foriasi amano de ensem atodwa se nanso ya enche bia wo power transport Ghana e hontoma ne bota ye ne se ahya wodo e fo manfo esi wo mu obere no hudo eso agiska aha me che commercial ones no wo mu nyina de won krata ba be hyase na fe no empanifo de honsem akọ abefontenti afidi kase honsem so wasi no bebo apa ma ni suade hunu Ghana afimpiri ne aduasam wo no ebedu wona ka nkwanhia so ate no na ye adwuma ne nyina no so manfo de wo ho be hyase a ehyen ne bra etu ebre wo se koduro ni padodo ewo mu hyenka frokro a wo twi sa hyen ne nyina ho nsem ho nti se hyenkani ne tu hyen no a onim se bibi trake no nti ene kakra na ode akwantufo akoduro
womo enehwe transport eso any National Road Safety Authority ekabo mu epaw Transport Ghana dwumedie ho ewon kran no eho anosoafo a ono enehwe transport so kwaku ofori esiama editu dwa se abefo kwan asisi womo ede ba be ye transporti eyade a ebeboa pa
the friend of woman intervention say nipa be yade no enye enough ye nyina ye kwade abefo no ma bebre aba I bet me introduce now boy and road safety. The be American said the human intervention alone is not sufficient. We need technology all over the world. Technology and by boy I'm here to my protect and go for provide security and safety. And need more move to coin. The National Road Safety Authority. We show among man on the Jumana or more act no and more coin and more regulated transport of protest. And more register transport to protest. No moves away, a human and away. The technology, a bomb, no more register, no more driver for no, Badwam, no more training, no more Badwam, no on number class, why you say, car no from so background, boom, there.
Wade ni nsem etudwa ewie no Acting Director General National Road Safety Authority Engineer David Osafo Adontin enso editudwa se abefo kwan asisi womo eba befa so ede aye transport ewo Ghana han eyade ebeboa ama kwanhia abre asipa.
Now our friends from GPRTU, Protour, VIP, 2M Express and the rest are all coming under the ambit of the National Road Safety Authority as far as regulation of their services is concerned. And we are happy to be at this stage where that responsibility, the National Road Safety Authority can assure you that things are going to change. Change will come with this automation. What it means is that we are not going to continue to do the old things we do all the time. This time, we want to use the power of technology to be able to engage.
Every one in my Ghana, Yatimoni attention and some emu. Ghana Mampenny His Excellency Nana Danko Kufuado na Blitumi so. Ya waba judge for Makumaku edungo chidin se womonko Supreme Court na wonkodi wonjuma na nsam ni beto odwa manfo do na adwe won se ase Mampenny boapa ene wo pia MPP anim difo a wo masua mredu akira koguo se ne abato ye chi no kura no se katashi bisi a ene omunim se wo mo a eti Supreme Court dodo no ano MPP fo judge for na nsam ni to odwa no ena ye bo epri Justice Henry Anthony Kofi ene wo chese nsam no manfo ka no no kure bi ani
fi ya mampani na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo aboni din se onkotena o mai court batan Supreme Court so echiremu a wone wono a woka se ajajefo wo mai court batan so no do so no enya adwene kura efri bra mampani na Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo fa o mai abenwa tra so no papa nipa di nwotwe na akọ o mai court batan so a amomanfo bi ebo no kwadu se wasesa empiamayeko na ajajefo na akọ akoguso ebra ya Santoni Kofi eyin se misa brashebedwenyo gina hode mo manfo gushegu awato mpesu aso Hassan Tampuli edebo no was asem no hono ensem odi tu dwabini.
If you leave the three who have retired, you have to fill the vacancy. Otherwise, the current crop of Supreme Court judges very soon they will start falling off, given the volume of work at the Supreme Court and the jurisdiction. Because everybody, every case, and I can say this, every case that starts from the High Court now, about 90% end up at the Supreme Court. Because in our system, we seem to have an open door policy. Every case that starts from the Supreme Court, it could even start from the Circuit Court. District. And then you move all the way to the Supreme Court. My lord, in the US you can't get
Osan echiremu se omuse oman court batan entra galamsey ehon sensem so de ne so ogidi ye pa se esese aseni bia hodo wo man mu ehwese obi biara ode ne ho beje galamsey dwumadi mu no ode asotwe mu odin pa ebema no.
At the Supreme Court, the question of trial of galamsey cases doesn't arise because the Supreme Court is not a trial court in that sense. So the galamsey cases will not come to the Supreme Court. But I agree with you, the havoc being done by galamsey. And I think that the attitude of the judiciary, where the evidence is produced and the accused persons are found for the judiciary to impose.
Yenyina we monyamfo Henry Anthony Kofi ne samisu na bedwam so kasiam de soma no pe no memfade nyidensi bede aseso hwe ye FRDS TV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 Facebook no Adom TV extra wushia me a frame anoche waba ajwa se wa ye na ye homra ne ba de obokra tampensempensemu any online portal so nsem no ye beto aso bedwam so. The address no online portal so nsem the obonkrata no so abedu na poso kwesinsia so aye krado incoming member of parliament ya ba ko ginemo wo ya Asante Mampong power to the people ono ne breso ro de so ko gina kwantenkura wo nyina manyokuo bi achi manfo no a hu se adwuma no betumi aye ono aso hu se adwuma no obe ne ye nti brepamo no poster ne ba abonten a eribatu TV so na mu nyina amahwe adwuma pa wokobo ne adanse o manfo edifa no ho sa Asante Mampong ni abrante a Nyankopon edia man na to na koma so dia Asante Mampong ato na koma so waba waye krado wazi
adwa
na ese ebronya ebeko okurom.
Oh yes, nyame adomu a I so the next few days
now Asante
Mampong because 26th of December
Asante
Mampong community center here to na Nado Dankwa Akufo-Addo na yire ano odi kan aneba esihye ma me munyam ho ne yedi sage median ampofo aje leaves concert enti nyame admo 26th of December 2023 na yenchine mu den anyumtofo ya eba kuma wood stars nyina
26th let's brother be na what okay
kuma wood stars nyina ejine mu
the brother ebe china bom ye 22nd
adaje eni
my dream sister aka na what bi we anymore it's next week Tuesday ya Sam ne yake
Tuesday ya Sam na dwa make Asante because aka to say Ghana de Cambronya ya Asante Mampong ebi na betwa mu e de fem outflow kakra but we are taking it back, we are reviving, sustaining and maintaining. It is 26th December yenyina ehia wa Asante Mampong ampa ya adwa ebedwanya de keto akra bedasin so se da bia woni afiamankwa mo amanfo ehunu ni swade hu pa
yes
akosinsia edemani so ti we are make Asante Mampong amanfo ye adwuma ofom
yes ground so dey solid
sebi penese etotoa esibema na kasam
yes
ena ni onim konso na de gina atwono no ti akosinyame ya do me koseya ye ne mabunu me must me ka e mabunu ni nti asante mampo mabunu ye yo
okay
enti ena ye wo no ti asante mampo mabunu wo nyina me che obi bia ne anope me giri se nyame adom mo ho ye ene da so nsan ye kuro no ebeyi asase maka so se ye wo asase yantam wo asante mampo wa factory pesi bi betimi ebie ade bi betimi abo ma factory ewie payo bia ne obi wo honom. We talk about the raw materials apart from maybe the additives ebi ne bekeka ho ye be crack akade from no ne aba no ye wasase eduade oso a efefe ye wasase ne bedue bia ne nyame adom ebeyeye ewo asante mampon kro no ankasem. So it means say ka say the factory e ba ho no a e easy to go with asante mampon mabunu ebediye ebewie enso dia mom ajo medase pa so ti
the online portal no Obribuahin threatens legal actions against Doma Hene. We will say, I forgive you, MPP MP tells former Ni. Okay, local news. Supreme Court Justice nominee speaks on corruption attack against judiciary. Nese, Justice Henry Kofi.
Yeah.
And Kase. Tinubu approves 50% cut in fare train transport free in Nigeria. Nese say Ashentu Adia no watch him. Hamunche modu dum tibia no moje 100 Ghana no 50 Ghana train so dia wo fra na say e free kura so
on hwe ne ye on hwe because Tinubu kru ya na before obeye mampani o Nigeria oka say subsidy on fuel Nigeria obey the free one.
Yes,
ama Nigeria for which are realistic prices.
Yes,
now with this one ebe ball 50%, it's going to be the same government. Dear now the barbecue. Is it the subsidy nether force no way
you free one amount for air tono?
That is not a quackwash hanum nana.
And then so what my be so I say, yeah, born as a quentia. Mamma Moma who say, yes, Muntia may subsidy nephew, and I may dabreno, may match him say 50%. Yes, I could you are.
It ever quack one share now,
kaba,
a casaba, because in the crow me say, fuel price won't be in control.
There be.
But transport to be control.
Yes. Yes.
You can decide say maybe say Ghana and you say yeah. About me say me perceive transport fare eba for more. Ade ba kwa shenka for kan was we fam go bo e de free one more. Roadworthy certificate ne spare parts.
Yes, insurance.
About me apekwan bi so de screw e ho no ka kasa be ya ashenka for betimi aton kakra. But fuel price there obi any we say control. Yes. Omo fam wona kase mu no. Like the Saudi Arabia and the rest, Russia, the bet me I can say, and ne, you better for $1. The can yes, will be any bika. But yes, say a tea, honey, and energy.
Yeah, quite different.
Come on, you know. Be named Sequoia Consult in a quintian motor no to the we now baby the same P.
Supreme Court Justice nominee proposes solution to prison congestion. Said your man for a bar peso. You need to fear hot door. Yare tia te sana e bibie wo ho ne duafie ase bia mfa nipa apem wo kompem yensa mpem nan no motata so e na watu yefo e wo
say prison intimi nye segregation. Okay, say ye intimi chichim say we hardened criminal
e na we e bia o serve e bia na dey civil case
space intino
ye do mu nyina gufa ko nti hardened criminals then they were more emre no nyina afra
obi asem wo kotente so to obi su okoda mu aboso miensa oni atai seso ene dadan
ba kum enso kan papa mu ne wosenka ye obebi omo a omo ye tachi amoafo no omu guo okay
eti nipa na yesi ye kwakọ reform no
obeba na so
akosia ba bi adwa no krom ye se uwura mu ana usunsum adum
yes
no kwasra obi kura wo prison na oduru a uwura
the mere fact that obehu say o rights affluence
na usunsum na dum to obi a yokodi best 3 weeks okodi 1 month 2 months ono bi okwa 70 years edadan ba
omrani a training ye nti oba ya nche na osan call beko as a hardened criminal.
Daily guide. Wasi results. Top grade reach record high. Dr. Yao Sedichum, Education Minister Funi Enawaha. Belgian new force girl deported. Go beyond Ghana, Nana to Ghanaian businesses. NDC presses panic button. Daily Guide. Daily Graphic. Economic zones policy outlined as government-based companies. Comes the picture of President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Any abrofu bi na fe Honorable Katie Hammond etwa ne ho ehia. SML ICOMs fetch over 3 billion Ghana cedis. JRA for the kind of same. MasterCard Mida invests $6.1 million in Rise Value Chain project. GJA launches third African Media Convention. Abrantin so adwa yemona baso.
Oh yeah, Juma. Oh yeah, Juma.
GJ president.
Oh yeah, Juma. Oh yeah, Juma.
Baby an pen for this year no. Utim so
what was so?
Yes.
What was so?
Na anze na nse mo na information ministry. Elanche media capacity.
Yes.
But in idea air koso and adwa make say ayade ba ko a I want to believe say minister bi obe taking over from Kojo Ponkume Biano and twaso. And twaso. Say yanka on tiase. Say ready budget we are. Ye the MPs ko share them church mo budget ni. Ye capacity building ni bi no. Ye nsem tredwuma adwo ye special ye na edi twi na edi adwuma. Ye mu bebre nsem ay kan ye ntiase. Ekon fa so kra ye fa adwuma e wo adwuma ye yem kra no. Ye bibi owo. Adwuma wura nam wo tie radio. Tisa kosi sie kegum papa
na no odin akosi atano na no odin yenko fa nbra.
Based on that ni afa kosi sie adwuma. Amama ya wodo especially bibi memu aman ya nsantwerefo akofo onyo ne di aba no. Eye wona ka wo krom kase ne kofa asa onye ne bae. Eto da bia no mo kan ye ntia sentie kire mbasa.
Ye kan se de yepe. Brofo ya finance minister kan be be. Obi ante hwe.
Obetimi a kire mo asini kire se ya gban. Ade be chini aban ye se aban ye. Ni aban ye so ya se aban ye. Because ensentwerefo mu bebre na kasa ntensem na ekoso na se. Edi atin se ya de pa.
Ebeboa.
So first Kojo Ponkume and pa for that so ministry no. Omo to aside by say Obi obe take over from him bia. This is a legacy. You see a twaso a building Ghana and central.
Obi zuba ka se na Kwadwo ye nsentwere ni nti ote adwuma na se.
Yes.
Aha.
Yes.
Onim de nsentwerefo kom, onim de nsentwerefo hia. Ye bambo ho nsem, ene se de esikeka ye niema ne se de ye tosini ebre bia. Enti na ebi ama aba ne tirim se ye ne saa no. You get it. Enti akade him biem ne yenko.
Enti Supreme Court not populated Justice Kofi. And I can say Daily Graphic, the Daily Statesman. Africa's media aims to champion AFCFTA agenda. NPP beats NDC in assembly elections. Traders satisfied with Yuletide surge in sales. No one should be denied nomination forms. The Daily Statesman.
Ebusiane said Obon Krata na poso online portal adomonline.com, myjoyonline.com and same be ho ne aboboso ma ye dan ye ho aba na ye ba kai say agokansie beto aso ho sepe etua line na afi ye bekọ na sa kwasinsia ye de asem yi edika e wo say ye ka nkobotwetwe bi war matas ma ye afri ho mama na afi pense mu ato aso bedwam so ne ye basisia
yesa mo akwa ba mraso ye nsem ekoso agodi mu abrebia na nsem no doso yesa fata sa otini e poaboro na ye de abrew kete wese ye do rebia kejuara kasane Erica Siedu Bwedi na Kingdom Heba and Kingdom Home Estate na de sia konkon ne sam na de bro they say the up down to Kingdom Home Estate and I saw the mudisa was so and no edanchen ya Kingdom Heba Center munro ahodo no na kwambia so no so begira so na o de abodma power capsules no enche utimu say yes osmo a wife be wontafo ni na power capsules no na adi osmo akagiremu a entafo na lande sa so na tremendous capsules ne ma na durema ma na CPS ita ya ma wo fie ha nyina no cho aba fia man kwa mu abranpo kwa mu ne oyi akwan mu no obi a tremendous no na mama ya masima nyanwa ka nkoyi enwa na mo bibia koyi Easter Sunday crowd o di dware tremendous capsules kama pa no na ebo mo sa so na akopie mo wo galac bitters no ma wo immune system na gina na so na yare bia e rough bia ba no wa piano gala we kram na kotoba ya bia face gamepackgames.com diska bronyeba diska go bottom gamepackgames.com the here say wa bo star 946 hash na de ho ajimu na sabako mo play store phone so no abo Game Pack Games. Na fe download the app na bibia abotumi abobi. Wo browser na so wait ma ko gamepackgames.com. Just akonya be fa so e de bebre. Pick 1 ho na fe so no pick 4 and so e wo ho no monty from number 1 to number 36 uyi number ba ko come on na open come up say no pick one no ka hye ne so 9:12 and 6 p.m. akonya ho sa obediska area go bottom Yasamu Akwaba, Sergio Manucho, Bernard Padibotwe, Emmanuel Tay, the producers. Now, Yabasha said, the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, Coach Chris Hilton, 55-man squad, and what they are copying El Calf. Say, Mu na Bibia Kodaviena and Sunday Besha tournament, National Better Soccer 27, na what the Asher tournament in Asia. Then, Ghana for Natural Madrid, 11 local players, and then Yakoya Echo 55 for the Montana were cutting it down. Now, President of the Ghana Football Association, Waketi Yosekreku, in Samo Tuga, so GDA say your better preparations ye pa akwati when him our AFCON as yebesa ko Black Stars in 7 mu ye. I mean, go try see what Yarama mind so I mean clear omfio. Na ba fia be hede ekoso. And when the Carabao Cup, West Ham United, could you ne mrante me nim say Carabao Cup no mo mpabo. I mean on the ekoso so the next round of the competition semi-final, Middlesbrough and Chelsea, now Liverpool and Fulham they are winning way at the Carabao Cup semi-final. West Ham and Kwankudushi and La Liga Barcelona ball Almeria by 3-2 and Atletico Bilbao ball Las Palmas by 1-0. BRL winning 3-2 over Celta de Vigo. Yankom. Team, I'm there, I'm here. I look up him and it has the Real Madrid and so ne Alaves the Bepim so na Mallorca Osasuna at the Abueni Cachaneson Safameno the Spanish La Liga. Yamra Fidian Summer Black Stars ni mwa ote Chris Hilton then some to after so the 55-man squad at the Ababa Tumono with him say Kwambia so na didn't know den and yes small Jumana Dan so say so bono na and some what they actually mo say clubs are one more Europe no ne Ghana na from plastic na him say January mu ha na de idea of friendly player a risky partner will take in but on Ben on a tournament nation so much say no more on place na mon babisia kaima Ghana right Menone and Samoa Christian Tinitudra or hope you say the various clubs no better say na place na bantam abesha campaign as na bibia so to me akoyira may call back to the Keto Kreku story Ket ESO Kreku president Ghana Football Association or Chile say Ghana Black Stars be prepared for the AFCON Basso in January our Cote d'Ivoire.
It didn't go well. Everybody in Ghana saw what happened. We are looking forward to having a much better outing at the AFCON. Fortunately for us, it's happening just next door to us, and we'll call on all Ghanaians to be supportive of our Black Stars. That is the national team that we have. And even if it is that the national team are not scintillating as we would love, that is the national team we have. And
that is what we have. Keso Kreku Samori Yacho Jarano GamePackGames.com. Can Hunedi and Samno at the Brew now. Yanko Pimuna, Yanshe Medema Sporting Club in the CAF Champions League. And Yangachi, Momo Kami and San. Woman to me at Tiama group with the something which is about any kind of highlights them. Unfortunately, Mediema Sporting Club kwa kodia kwesi form ya shama mama ni ada hokre pa ni ada bala yenhwese say table no asia kwaye group D Mediema Sporting Club group ni mo mame table no na yenhwese na asia tie erotum say yes Lali na lead table no with 5 points. Young Africans Tosumi no Yanga 5, Mediema 4 and afisho no Belouizdad 4 points. That group no anwe ne sepaka nra Mediema na ni home game no kra with me winning ya table yi kwa jabo so na so Mediema ye kwasa sama nra akobwakam hodom na yenkopie mu onwuanum Dreams FC de omotena FH FC Lobito bo mo kan Lobito antumi ante. Wow, and yenhwe Senate table no wo Dreams FC group no so esiete after said Dreams winning and on game on Lobito 4 and here PM so more Club African on top with 9 points. Dreams FC as the Tosumi with 9 points. Rivers United there was 6. Then after so Academica and so Are Ewozolu. Dreams FC next game. If I say on Rivers for we Dreams there they be on na ye. They are doing so well. Coach Karim Zito and then Martin Aboma Basu ye pa Keti Yesekreku. Mino Shadow. Wow, more bodjuma pa ni ade pacho Kingdom Home Estate open there to Kingdom Home Estate na security name de ya ye ofie ni ho ne community ni mo na nyasam keto akra o security hu ya entina ba bia keke ai o ba bu out ya plastic chair hot to hey ho ya serene atmosphere pacho honest outna na bi so na bia na opesa ye calculations bi na name they the people Kingdom Home Estate otna wa be boa pa na ade maybe ne be de number no e de amamo akropon omo latte junction wa na womo homes no wadank nice ones almost see hono enyasam keto akra the chief executive officer the National Youth Authority Pius Enam Hajide they say mo to grase the Koforudia multipurpose youth resource center no enche ye ba bia no den enche kra enche nti amanfo hwe nim December yi mu kra ansa na next year
edine ni onyam ebebo ye chi no mebeta ye chi na ya commission facility na ya dan ediama Eastern bebunu ene obi biara waye krado se obe yususa facility enti yegina ha na Ghana fo bebunu ayati de ewo akufado ene Dr. Baumia aban emunu ena ye wasida edima aban no ade ya ye hwe no heyi makumaku edu ena na ban akufado aban Dr. Baumia aban mu eye ebi nsi da ye hye mu bose ansa na afi beba ne wie ye no ye be commission na ye di ose yoyo yes ye sikasemu na ye de ne kakra de ba ye jimidi se Ghana fo no hu se kakra ye de National Youth Authority se juma pai na ye di ya ebe eboa na impanyinsu ajemu kakra.
Right, the Chief Executive Officer of the National Youth Authority, Pius Enam Hajide Nsamwa. What are you two and so and no I'm saying yeah be so na no price in some nesi I'm sure say a door so there's a fatter salt in the premier kwine the brew. Yes. Kingdom Mama States am number no fa na maka mama sama che order they say just a wo kwakora 8060 ansa na also wet matter dan young boy wet matter dan is answer F Kingdom for amade na F they say dan ye kwakora ansa na to dan 053 614-9961 053-614-9961 and after 030-393-9987 030-393-9987 now in the Kingdom for and train come after so more tremendous capsules no aba say me wow tremendous capsules a man dey no and a power capsules ye me man dey tio we be men kono tremendous capsules and how your boss so kono power capsules about the power capsules say kwai. So, and I feel so no garlic bitters and a garlic capsules on Mumuna. Emma, we mean the man, me man, and Emma immune system na boost to the power. GamePackGames.com, star 946 hash, star 946 hash. Now, don't want you to be at my Play Store with my download. Now, can be also App Store. So, what's my download the Game Pack Games for App? No, now, baby, what's me D now, what D ye come upon the idea. I was saying, Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibuche, Emmanuel Tay, and my producers. Yes, Mr. Ebenezer Kwabinadu, Keadu Gas Oven and Stove Company, Kumase, no workers in Nina, I was shem well, Mamunina Fishapa, CEO, no, Mr. Ebenezer Kwabinadu, Mobojma, Stove, a dear, Mobian to me, Mokruma, Mejimodi Pa. Was ya, Kidwana Kasani, Erica Siedu Bwedi.
Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue dans Badwam TV. Badwam Health Tips eso na watching komono ekoyi pa the ne ye share disadvantage a war bushfire emu nti e wo se wo hwe ohuye obia ibiswane DO1 evanso se wusote adwam meda endpoint for your party clinic ase na daroma ene e de bro nti se wo yare nko ade a na wabom ya show ma ho ayedin ai seponi ye no ko check prostate no so bibia e fine one da che hene na muamo ntwema bibi ntomansa ne ye ho odin no akohwe na ye kama papa mu akwa balance
yeah and
also you hear disadvantage e wo bushfire mu adawo ma yenti
yo no kwa na afia se kwayimuja esia e de how bebre eba ni edikan ya me pese ye hwe eye se wakobo besia e de abedofuo na afuo no eniema hyase se ebo na ejabetom ni edikan edeka eneba baby akobo besia no de onhwe saa o ne dia ne se besia na wabo ne mfam no ode ato ho asi ho ama wo no ese se wo ba betu ani nyina enti edeka bo eneba se edeka bo banso a nansen obo endpoint omunro ni bebre wo ho a yete ne kwa yemu ne yedeba eya bibiduro enti eka ebibiduro nso efise ewura no aye kote e de abaye duro no amayen no ewura no ahye ehye a ene ye kote wura yi eni nti eno nso ewo ho eno achi no nso ewura munam efia no me be ya adwen se unya wukisie kakra wanya akrantie kakra
ne ayema
otwe bi kakra otwe no kra de wo ye na se unya ne yem ade ne ka bofro ne ka enkwan no a
sente no
afia sa ne ma nyina eja hye won a ubehum se obi wo ho a ontimi makro mu meto akokọ ontimi makro mu sa nam yi enohwe afei bibi ti se emre ene nwa eja ehye kwaye no a ehye asase no ankasa eti ngwa ne nkosua no a ewo mu ni nyina na ni nyina ahye eno nti eno nso wunya bi eno nso yeman a yetimu yi da bia ye sori a ye se ye koton koko na ye nya sika e de abebo oman no eho ban anase e de abebo oman no akonma eti saa koko yi a eye sika ema oman no eno nso eja etomu a na ede ohaw abrayen afei eja ne etokwaye wo ba bi a ensuo mu a na ama nsuo no eho adampan edampan a na ewiase nsuo na nsuo no awe nsuo we a okwa ba bi na ko hunu nsuo a menuanom anom a na de ohaw ba enti ohaw foforo etimi ba de se etimi ma yare etimi esi na de ohaw bebre abrayen ewo ba bi a yete
yeda se papa pa kyena nyame yadoma yede bewie wadawoma akyena yebe kɔ ne sei
ɔkyena yebe hwɛ okwan a eja no ba wɔn a ehyi ja no ɛdeɛn ne yede bɛyɛ wɔn
punishment abem nyame yadoma ɔkyena kan ho na yɛmfa nwie na wɔtwe yɛnkɔm a yɛdie fa bushfire ehunti also obi ahwɛ ne ho yie pa me da point for me pote clinic ase me de afia amankwa tamaklo adepache ye ne wɔn kwa ebesehia
I was a penny world best entertainment platform and I remember Baba Duno is a Fantador president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Maybe around Ghana had a mamona cover some cocra. Now, the thing them and then me interview car. Na masan more stories so ka kwa we masan mata na zamo ka kwa but mamizin kana mankanfo 3p garlic mixture for more there say in here immune booster papa mkono blood pressure nam I hear hen there bia it's not coming down as a here nyina 3p garlic mixture ono oye vitamin C papa na minerals wash muma oye garlic extract 100% oye natural into no enya bia ebe kama into no pono stroke asthma say sanche tata do say sanche bro moye obia no bomozna na nya 3p garlic mixture na fabo human na what say there I chanced on a video on social media in an interview no na Kim promise or can be for the fact that the Mayankasa Ghana artists no go home hade no they are at war I don't want walk one no richima in chair on Sunday ya kwe ho e sampo no yenyi bia nya ka yenya ba no funinya na ma yenteza Kim promise okay for the masamo
basic underlying factor. How do we get to this level where moving like that, people no go see that as competition?
Bro, that's a problem, bro. I don't know. It's just the mentality of even us as Ghanaians, bro. Okay. It can, like I always say, it's not us against each other, it's us against the world. You go shock you say your own brother. Bro, I'm not gonna say names, but I was in London sometime. There was a concert by Ghanaian artists. I was literally there. I'm like, oh, and Sark said, oh, pull up, and I say, yeah, why not? You know? They didn't let me do the thing. I'm like, wait, are we fighting ourselves? I actually came to show you guys love.
And
like, I can actually sell out the venue.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Respectfully. But I'm like, yeah, these are our people, bro. Let's come together. Let's do this. It's for Ghana at the end of the day. But I don't know that like niggas see this as competition rather than us being there for each other. Cause bro, I've been on several stages. Like Wiz put me on the stage. On my leg, whenever we're in the same.
Okay, can promise. Me da say oh no Americans in China, you know. Na one me why me on down bozin call out. Name and shame. Na yen kwa yen nyim. Na oy hwanum na mbobo honi ze no. Ana kidia. Kid na kwa me region. Suspect one. Cause she comment as one obi so suspect one. Ti sa one that wonjai ai. Me kind of kete. Unto one of mom, so one wonjai. You know, on your battle, nya fe na ye ba boko ye hu. Ya na. Ye hu ano. Ehu. Na ye hu ano na ye kwa press conference no me chair Samini and a Black Sheriff DJ Slim ka ho ma wo kwa press conference ka cheche me dem pono oye period ye womi na nka Ghana music onkoten nka ye promote Ghana music ye promote na there's been so many conversations around this Nigerian bloggers fan personal which you put there so that no ya so ye Ghana nyo ya so ye Ghana nyo cause wonye here na wonye kasa o so onye ye nyo kasa mom ye richim there na nka ye push ye ezna mo shata wale cry be cheche na agenda o masa that's not the course there yakusisi a mo chire wa nyom na lo oya hit see kasa no I bebre what town mo be personal opinion but answer no oye Nigerian blogger adesope odna no atasem no mu yente is okay onya botarabam ai for one chopa you know Black Sheriff na Zama Disco event na orobado no ono promo na ya hwe the CCR no na ya tell was a location was called La Palm asanzo called La Palm Beach Hotel nti no ze yebati hu bia is ba bro nti yen hwe yen ko back hi yen ko back na yen hwe Nigerian blocker this ope na ze kakra okay no fa da mansam no na before that no market some more opinion or what them battle na yare no as to whether say yembo 100% Ghana music or krum hade another year on kobo no minimaze say enya time etukwan atna basum etukwan akọ Cape Coast Kumasi Takrade na non called not Accra anywhere that is not Accra or krum hade ya me sure that better Nigeria no say Cape Coast the biggest artist or Cape Coast is Okoto Perry. And into member show in Cape Coast you will not put Okoto Perry on because obi aramba for the video bra wana Westgate obi feel Cape Coast straight if it's not Okoto Perry into no say na say you can support Ghana music I think that oye kind of oye Accra hade na ye huda mazano oye hade city no nkan ha na ye huda mazano now when you better more minimum cover be to relate to Zamaka no maze more details babro ho na afa da mansam no because Ghana full support Ghana music papa na yente jingle bell kakra na msimo interview hade na yemresisia. Welcome back Ibio Mausepe Jumezi Ini na ofam tedo so na mijina hade na tama meke no me wo interview me wo ekukudemfo ebien wo hade Julian na Kwame Riedu na zotinye de ye hu de play bi ba bokojo izina ododo ye makola queen into no ma from wo hade de wo mbra na wo mbecheche minche hen ma ye hu ma ye be because we outside agenda no obokodo ye bo pay mama wona kwaba. Okay, until you free University of Ghana and our Bahadi and a pay. Now we'll promote one play. Our fan Makola Queen, sorry. Production or when you can show production or of Fabazon.
I say offer 50 pesos coin. I say baby image no that so. Often that na didi. Now you're Makola woman. Time before Yenya independence, starts Yenya independence. Makola women no. Mumwa ma Yenya independence. Inti play no musical. Inti yede both inyom to ne agodi no. Na yede inti yekabum na yede aye play no. Ekafa sa period no. Starts Makola Queens no boa. My independence. Okay.
Okay. Now production is in the air.
Makola Queens. Okay. You know, school number.
Okay. Now also them put out what bar up with the production.
Okay. We have a friend in the Ocho no your friend ni as on it ama. I'm try playing. Mama here playing say person educated Ghana for say enye mema no kwa na ebo ama yenya independence. So say baby I ka independence a kasafa big six no. But Makola women no so mo here I say behind the scenes work.
Okay.
Ama yenya independence but we history books no ya tro mema edwuma no kwa.
Okay. Okay. Into no waso kasaka kre na wono po no cho play no one or direct to play no.
I'm directing Dr. Karim.
Okay.
Dr. Karim on Ira Adams. And the almost cho play no. Ama okay and
okay.
In charge of musical. And I'm also writing.
Okay. Nanti obi hwehwe CCA na obi so onitim the why am I supposed to even be there? Abas no unique if I one play no ho o se do umobi ba. Ase.
As make her first no say music and I don't need both entertaining and essentially educative. Inti among who dear Makola woman no ye ma independence na de na so yeah very entertaining. Okay.
Okay. Inti no yeah no we fa aba time we register wo mam them details no why.
Yeah ETS Studios.
Okay.
ETS Drama Studio. Legon Campus.
Okay.
Time near 7:30 p.m. From 27th December to 29th December.
Okay. Okay.
Gate fee student, we a student we just prove say we a student to the ID card bar.
Okay.
But you have 50 CDs.
And
outside that.
Why the kakra?
No.
Okay. Okay. It's no Makola Queens or last words be open the work to Dana.
Like I say OBM Brambe because very nicely heard that. And first I hear in a good reviews, a very beautiful play. And my advice is say Obi Amashebi.
Okay. What am I day to?
27 so each night. 27, 28, and 29.
Into waiting for 3 days. About time exactly. Into a one show. The baby are from 27th, 27th, 28th, 29th December. Or ETS.
Yeah, if I Sutherland Drama Studio.
Okay. Now, are you open to all our senior students? I'm
open to all. So, internet, separated tickets.
Okay. My there. Or some from to my bar. Is it?
Oh, it is all ages.
Because they are not adult content.
Say,
Martin be with you now. When you play, when to my show when you know.
Of course.
Okay. I know about 50 Ghana. So only students.
Students.
Why you 50 maybe? Okay. Okay. What's our be a pede ekatwana? Or the museum into no Makola Queens, Yaboko na Yakwa share, na support one so. Now we to know why place Akasaka because very interesting. Young baby putting the sun independence no Miss Africa home. Me kekeje mampo mat storm but many details them I'm sure they play the educating him papa into me baba ai na ye bebusu azenya me show hu ne bebre na what Juango energy drinker Juango energy drink or come papa say we energy no kofoma me here the best energy drink no Juango you should be shop be able to be particular vitamin B1 B3 no vitamins ni na wo ai won pa bi na wo fan share Makola Queens ho be fa ma he na ye fan jin na say Christmas yin so no ai wadwen there opedese no bibia muna obi bibi wa brochi muna obi bibi o Ghana ha dey me pedese wunyama fa biara no Ghana Post no obejew na wunyama nkaye basabasa nkaye oboduru na yini tilachi ayi na kwana there be Ghana Post omozo na fa wunyama nyinara fofo honom meza hu sa page mezi no mezi besi hade izino the Fantador Wabe Kofi Ampedu me producer director na ama belong the so or producing the marana osmosis on so or sound now before amokono quickly no ma happy birthday onko mo hono ma reason one ahoda in there say in there your birthday happy birthday first of all CK in there okay Zube day I think none of those another answer menya kwana wish won mama wish why CK happy birthday CK yeboa or ye CEO na so no ye rector or Prims Ghana Prominence Institute of Management and Professional Studies CK yeboa wiki mulizu birthday happy birthday to you nyame untu nko na onyo kese I'll be after is well done the biara no so no happy birthday to you mama wish you glory and
Anoche baba me sai mo akwa baba so se yedi enkomo ye hwe yapomuden ho nkomo kakra ne empempenso ne bia ya wuduru a ewo so hunu se aduro wei eno ena ebegime na opanyina watena se no wo free Ghana Herb Therapeutics na wo so hunu se Dr. Kojokuma ena atena se nu papa ya Ghana Herb Therapeutics for ediaba no Hong Kong and a ye bedi. Dr. Kuma Mache, Yenua, and then so there, in Ghana Bama Ba, Crypto 400 a ba, Ghana capsules a ba, Prosta Joy a ba, and a save 500 as well ba. Yeah, there and there, many would do come as a Bruno, meaning be a many boss, one who do crow. Say, do paneton, you didn't go work a cry, and there any difference. Yeah, the Ghana Bamba shall see. Say, Tuesday me ban me kan ho asem edi ho komo se na ebeti be yisu no in terms of say yepuno ana say ye dey extra ye dey honam yaw in terms na I think just within the week Kashiri ya be do office I think we had a very interesting call efa Badwam ho and not a very one lecturer Dr. B from UDS now say na the wife kon eche time ya o ma try no be brave it doesn't work but omu use Badwam. Now it worked very perfectly. But one thing he also noticed about the issue is that now the wife when they tiko actually you know as na pa say no embody mu na good mu na you need to nti as I say or apply bam on the corner actually tiko actually no say since she started no say me na as she full back. Oh wow. Yes. And ofre besides say good. And your friend besides into him say you do apart from say pain it answer to me my efu and I say you extracting hair follicles but the thing is say oba air and remember what daje ma want to me and can nyina and season when see a season ember mutumi etebu pa because of the hamatan it's easy for your hairs to break and you know what you cannot see yes ya air kan wa mama say Ghana ba no say be for pains o your ba per say unwi efu here o timi efu here obetimi dia franco to kakra. Okay. Now, we have somebody fast here. Yes. Whichever way you want to apply it, and we apply with Tinankase Munsa. It's me a kum dandruff. Okay. And tea, Sanya Mefitana, if you feel mutimate, take kuming now. Apart from any infection, until the Ghana Bamano. Apart from Honamia or joint X mass or X senior TBA, a woman means it me a free papa pint in Bano, a one key area, a per se. Yes, no channel so. Now I feel so no say ban waster. Mbema the most of times no. Mo waste, mbema waste. And I see ya etnasi. Say we a driver, long distance driver, we a student. Obi to say what etnasi all face workers. Motor etnasi fa konchana so ujina fa koncha say cameraman no be ko fie na we chi tiko. O de Ghana bam fa kakra fe chi. Pa na ebe boa ye pa na I feel so no once we apply Ghana bam no there is this also thing about me I say we need there and yeah no usually me recommended my omo me near den and I joke that o dey as our cotton kakra fe ni so na wo dey tia no I apply as a suppository ade be che no in fact we say na granted obi ni was san o be tia e se dey but na me so dey asawa be fe ni so kakra na dey tia se dey but ade be che no was sie no emu da ho emu ye clean emu ye just say your weight a flexibility anga say them abim nti omo a se bi omo sisi omo ya to the extent say omo to me straighten omo ho obo body so meet the Ghana bam ebi etua na wo no odi bi tua na you know what the Ghana man capsules so say the aka ho eno no obenom
ha nti ono na no so ebie moja nti no mo na ema moja eden edi efusane na bema enhance with testosterone level na ema we nya hoden energy and vitality nti ono Ghana man capsules will apply Ghana but mo say obema yo na afi esine kwan so ano no nti 2 minutes there sa 20 seconds 10 seconds 30 seconds 2 minutes 1 minute no esine nyina ano kwan e de ema bema eye bema nti eba energy eba vitality eba increased libido the fa na tenka bema bi o asem atenka akofom oba bi o asem atenka akofom naturally bema de nyama be betima o atenka akofom stress pressure edro eduane awudi emotional status thing not me affect testosterone even age natural phenomenon may affect testosterone the only way to maintain with testosterone level in this obenum Ghana man capsules nti eno nso you recommend e mo bia e person Christmas we no obedie wie no na still you are in good health you are in good condition men go din yare that is the thing na so betimi abon by every yare ware ho dia and you be here in papa e wo so obefa abrinya bibia ya fe so your sans was say 500 for immune system e bon di pedua no ho ban afen se ban se yare be ni ho esie ni pedua no mu a wo sha se wonim saver eyini nyina epp sa emba na sebe infections ewo mo ho enka mo ho yare ne di mo ho esie for years omo sha se wonim save some of them they call almost some sha se wonim edu no insu ahodo asha se app from us ebi no describe insu na bi no say enyan ebi no say brown ebi no say insu fi omo fresh na ya no be sure mo yes dey bi edu na wo no eno na eyo ho ejuma nti konso so as they keep on drinking almost eventually insu na eba no ni nyina etwa afi etwa so omutum se nsunsun ye aba ni pedua no ma se eye clean eye neat na body na nkasa omutum se body na ade etimi eda so nso mo fine because of antioxidants nso it was safe 500 minutes and found yare a how a bit me enemu yare a sunny sexually transmitted infections or diseases bit me HIV ebia wenya any communicable disease from OBI skin infection no matter the state of the disease we immune system juma nkwa dia a bit me a clear sa yare woni nyina na se ba immune system so dia e dry e bit me recommend SAV save 500 or diabetes or hypertension or cholesterol senior ironity bia no obetimi am safe e dia aka eduro bia wono mo nti bia oda BP do so da sugar do so oda cholesterol do so no matter the condition they are safe because the immune system nankasa no and also e was otumi aboa lipidua no ema eduro bia wono no etimi eyedwuma entem e de ema nti opedu papa dia we safe na afi no last year by this time obi frame me then na ye na o say ne wenya urine retention wakadem amanfo ni aje omo abonti omo di Christmas ono Johnson aka na ya se ontimi MP o frame you osun ofun as phone so ani na wo say intem ye rashe na ye kohwe na etimi bo no ma Johnson etimi ba yes so ye mpesa afi prostate ebe ha obi a this Christmas ya abon dero misro so pese bronya festive season o Johnson na o feel unya retention unexpectedly misel hwehwe pro star joy yenim say prostate ndon dey be na ho but nia metimi endorse na ma recommend the amount say metimi abo prostate because eno nkwa na edura yen ya test ya analyze etimi prove say ampa etimi bo prostate pro star joy so we are brand here so we obi a wonfi ekweni mentwen normally no ye twen say ya running be boy and say anu me no do from the age of 25 years and above a brand here to make sure say ebo prostate ho ban because research am I say from 25 upwards no prostate ne sure say kese so what you need to do is say we so we sure say ebo ho ban say na be ya endrum pempen so bon say me Johnson embeyi and say me Johnson a block it and so now I say me kwa kono prostate do there be you can start working on your prostate now na say ban say the edra a bit me about as a prophylaxis for your prostate pro star joy now no normal is just one capsule a day capsule a day and the other thing is say e be say me no e dey above me prostate ho ban but ye go into details of edu nankasa na ne betimi ayama no it is more than just say ebo prostate ye nyama bebe na dey ama okay in fact say stones be kidneys mo bladder mo debris fi bi o dun so twene mo ebe groho ni nyina ma ni nyina da ni nyina
na me pedro kai bi ato a
edro pai nyina no ewo bebi eton edro bia all chemical stores all pharmacies yendro no ewo bebia eton edro bia so person utu ni dudro so person okoto na oton whichever way no ubenye bi ato in fact health embassy ha kra no ubenye bi ato oko kan shi joy for here ubenye bi ato oko kan shi drag lane be bi ato do biar all the 16 regions of Ghana yendro no e wo be bia the numbers no so egu screen no so betimi afresh sisi a ebeje so 0244 727028 0244 727028 and 0244 75 4380 0244 75 4380 and I say 0276 814884 0276 814884. But your numbers. I mean, that Mitchell crypto 400 back. Malaria. But and then so many women we say 500.
Yeah, they say the immune system. Me do. Yeah, that person but the engineer gina year say me me ho. Me sha me ho se kubuno. Ebusu na say opagini a don free Ghana Herb Therapeutics by Dr. Kojo Kuba and wa betre nu papa wo mo wo dwaso ya opebi na wonom a ebema wa pomodin enu bi bia egina brand. Mr. Obronyan bo immune system ho ban ti nom omunu papa ni bi enkanka save 500 no never boost your immune system sabi ya de be yi ti bi one no ebedi asie na enche na meda me ho aba na mamenkai wo sanwumakuo bi de kura me mu ama matenase am de sa nkomotwetwe ma wo na wo de ye na ye ho mratew ye ba nkomotwetwe no de aka eche nyina ebeto aso nkobebia ta ye san edi nkomobiem na kwa me ahe atenase sanso na ofa kojo so atenase na meka se no ogun se wo fi adom achedie there's a grace gift wo na mo wa adoma chede ayaresa adoma chede a omo de chekwa omo betena si omo beche ebronya de simple kra ejame nkokwa me no fa ho no na afede ne omo de somye no e ma omakwa aba na wo mfanto so emaye emperimfo ma matena si
ya
emboko de
na compound e pa
ofa ko dwoni
so ho ye
oh nyame adom
ho aye fedodo
medase
ukoda na yese flowers yesi wechi
fe si ebedi bronya de ntini red and green na red and green
red duro mu na wo no
haban no okay ofa ye bedi bronya me pa cho na eji so che ya de o ma ye hu de enti a bronya ye kwani ma ye kọ rene niema ye kọ no ma gu edi pedu ye buo no
e bro professor ebi be winwi ebi nso be wen takra niema ebe ko nipa ye bronya nya asem kuma me kan ne sei adwen bonefu no entakrabo aya akokọ hwede dabo ene asen apane aka enwi nso ye nantwie aponti odwan odabo opro akayetia ma me ben hase
ye ma Adom TV arefo ne Badwam arefo nyina ye ma obi afihia pa da twedi ampo nyankopon asese afi akwasa ba betoye na ene nkomo na yi di ne potokasem ye free bibi detoxification say detox on said the word toxic na nkasa chadia enshadanye something poisonous
yes
na ye hwe nipedua akwa se obe detoxify nipedua na chese niema ehu hia abeka nipedua num no ebe free mudi akọ
science akere ye se wudidi na ono mu a na nipedua ni yidi opa de aka no ensuo ne ba abonten sajun
yes ebi
na
so
nua na ba se ejana ye sa hia bibi fufuro bi
yes ehia bi fufuro ni nyina ne se te se okan ye no se nipadua no enya yi the essential nutrients ewo aduane na yensu mu a yenom na de aka ebi bate se sebe ejanan ne jonso no enye ni nyina ne pie ebinom ka nipadua no na de ka nipadua bi wo ho ana akosiesie nipadua na kwa baabi a mra no a wo to aso edidigum na wonom ni nyina na ese nipadua no sa na kwa no particularly nipadua kwa bia the liver no any kidney ni nyina no prolonged eating ne sa aduane die ni ade aye nyina no nye ni nyina na epie ebi o ha na akwa akosisi sa nipadua ye nchini mu nyina akora no ebinom echimi esi ye tai eka ye nam wie ene sebio ye nsanom ho asem na enam wie no da bia ya ye tai kase mujanam dodo na no edinsuanso bone ebreye de cause de freno atherosclerosis blockages in the veins cholesterol level nyina be cholesterol ne ade nyina chese na mona hodo na ye wi nyina no enye nyina na ho ade enye no epie dia ka no ka nipadua no eni nchi no ehu hia se nipadua no obesiesie mu na akwa no mu nyina asan ada ho na ofa de yebekọ ye ntete mmeremu kwan a na ye fa so na ye yi saa ne mafin se bi o efiri nipadua no yes ofa ni nyina efiri ho no na abefo kwan so amanfo de no bi abaye se nom bi ebesan nipadua no but enyini nyina mpie on se nkane no na nena apomodin adwumaku kasa kwan bi so di tia asa asa na ye de bentwa asa na ade
no wanya hemansa dua mienu bia
na kontianti
na wonya wakekaduro kakra de tum na wo de boa to jema ya se kakra na de atu banim na nya je sire ro se do na
yi enkora ya nka ya wo no foforo ya bia ka constipation ene ye sebe bentwa wonya ne to size na bogum na de sa na upija na ne kosoro na wo so no se wo si wa na ne mbika so ho nanso ne kwan bi so ye kasetia but ma menka we say edru wo ho a eboa na niema ahincha nipadua no mu nyina no eyi ni nyina apie na afi nipadua no esan da wa de ye ne say restore back the health of organs na ewo nipadua no akwa na meka se bia kwan bi so na bia ho ya yemre no unya detoxify sepe what mu so wo ha niema bebere afiri mu apie na anima de en wane se sa de wo ya beebi a honam dua na kwa bia ntokuru wo se niema ehu hia timi epie ba no ebetimi apie efiri wo de aba
wo ho no mo wonim se de bia wo gya wonan ba da be di aduane bia be fa wo yem wo di agwa do bis ni be yem ma no be nti we nyina wo me yem 2 minutes bia ko so be nya bia yi
ka me be di madamfo bi nkom ba mi ni wa ade ode ye mi nwura mu mmere bi no me yem she no no se hwe ha no me na nam se bi ha wo nko gya me no na wo ba be gya mi twa mu ne de ho amesa ba yem yem she wo fa be di nkom na ma me nka we ade ye ne se eboa on se ye nyini no niema no kosiesie ba bia ehia te se obi o ha ne ntini mu nyina asi na de pressure ya bre no
ntia no na utimi do nsa to ba bia fira asonsa na agene namness ne ade ne nyina na ahya ase eba no amanfo bebre niema a ekoso nipaduam no obi okura na nya aduru no ohia se saa de obi bi na detoxify na niema ewo nipadua no nyina no asane apia bonten it wo fa betira han kwa use grace gift say dwumadi ayedi na wo no a ewo se benya na meka we baabi ewo se pause wo bia no ebi o ho a aduru eyema wa ebetimi afiri sebe wonu mu aba sefie ebetimi afiri sebe wagya nan mu aba odwonso mu fifiri betimi ate obi nani ase ne hunu baabi atokuro da bia no niema na ehunu nyina wo se efa ho efiri de ba it wo fa ebe kire sa wo
enokre koso wo nu atwemota petroleum nu atwemota petroleum ya ye ne family love nkwada suku na omowe brofo se nko no enu omu na ekopotisi ehwe ne mu na mesre wada aha no ye difresire mu na aba we kan ho a niema mienu ne yakofa na sirem dubna no a ya mede mama ante no omu di omu me ensem no ana han ya abai na ekoso wa supiti ho kire se ye de ma okofia wan hwa na wanhunu ho so hwe sansa ha we anu ode ne pa de ye kan krofo mebire ye bi wo mafiem ebi ni asa ene ho ne ma ye kan ebi kura eyusu snapia ba enso so di sa adwuma no ni nyina ayo na ye die demufua so anse nyame kwan so no a wo kan se nyame no aye se honam no twetwe papa no a de enya ne mesene nko sanke ensa se ye koyi bibia biom nanso de enya no sebe sna kona ni nyina ba ewo ebere bi esese wo bo nuane bi esese wo di ma ye musane ye di ye mpe ebi ni fruits so ahunu
ya ye dua bai bo fre anka ne sa ne ma
yentani enti ebi kem se de ye kana ha we wo ba so piti ho aye posa ne di nsu afra ne di amo anom simadunum eko aduasa ado nsa so ye
yem wo so yi niema ni nyina pi
eniema ababa ebefiri wo ho aban ade enchen na de enti a yempese wo de bekofie no dodo no a omu gya wo manan no na omu fe nipa nso se wonam saate bia no mu a utimi yemre
nti wohia se obi a wonim de supervisor
nti anesefo no wo nchen na dokota nso wo ho na bibia ni a yakrokra na emom upese odi kofie a ebetimi di amam nso nhyehyɛ da ho ebetimi kura ma nurse ne kro eduachi saa da no nko a de efa no bibia ni a si di nsa wo so tentem na duro wo yi amekan ade ya ne se buru nya yi bi wura mu aduane ebuoi wabɔ akɔnhoma na bɛnkɛtɛkyi ya top no na ntimi ne di woyɛ saa de wie na mo yɛ ha ne mogya ne di afurusa ne yi a wotumi didi wanum wadidi wa ya ase nti obia me yobi bro nya ne twam nso a saa bɛyɔ we yɛ frɛ no alpha and omega alpha and omega
okay
ye be di bro nya bɛyɛ ne fɛ di bro nya no ye wie a no asa bɛyɛ na de asi afefoforo no
okay
boa yɛ me ya de san so kɔso pa ye kɔfa ba ye omo ya de omo hɔ no ayɛ ntɛntɛntɛntɛntɛm sɛ ubenya ka de aduru bɛka nipa kura de nka kokoro no mu ansa
wodi aduro bɛka nipa amane detoxify the system na ansa
won fu nipa duanum ansa kura ansa na wahya ya de sa nase krofo ho tɔtɔ omo adanse amantem podo amantem so se
nti fa he ne be hu grace gift na
o se kromo de ɛhɔ yɛ headquarters ohwim sukuu kwantana so ohwim sukuu Johnson no so a badekase ne asuofi akwan no so ana nkana ha na yɛtie new Atrimota Petroleum ana ne boy town ye ne family love sukuu ne hwɛ ne mu no ma no guti bi no so na saaje koro na menko Cello 54 tele 2 cello tele cello 54 tele 2 cello tele ana cello 246 518 cello 3 cello 246 518 cello 3 mu amunya de nyina mutime beyobi bro nyan so ye kai ahwefo se ye ntu adwumam bro nyan mu nyina se ye kwasi ada se ye memene da se ye yesu ebra ye wo nu da via ye adwuma asopiti obi ndin ada ya de ebu obi ti da bia ye ho anopa no nson ekusi anwumre no onum da hwefo nyina ase ebu bia so afinhia po ma menchia anesefui ya omo hwe pa Abigail difo ne yemienu fa tebo demni Betty ene Koyiman Dr. Prince Orlando emomu nyina fihia pa na fe opemu no ankasa ye frɛ no Telisa tokese
Teresa de
tokese Teresa fo ne yemienu ba ko ye Seremo Tens ana ba konsunsi utokura na ofa na chi onye be
utimi na chi ne ye hyase
nti omu friend Telisa tokese na me yeburebie
okay mati ye da se na se wo fa kojo ene kwame no ena wodom free grace gift akache eba ya wo ma be kire ya doma chede ahodo ni nnuro ni adwuma bi a wonom eye wono akache na ansa mekono mpanimfo bia da ama ena meti bebi a meti etima me emfa wo mo na ase ma wo mo Ghana Post say mo de mo te Ghana ha na de bia na ofa abronya aduro na ama ne sneakers wo fa wo ma ne meni ama da bi nyamotere wa so tumi box ne ama free Ghana ha na wo de akwache wo fa wo so wa wati yuka bridge mem wo re adwene nyenne bronya aduro betumi a package adwene kakra momane kakra kobi kakra enwadwane kakra na wo de agya Ghana Post for ombe package ni fe no mamma ne de akoma na wa bridge no hunu se ne wo fa ase de nana ne baya wo Ghana no won so wo dwene ne ho pa person na didie mu ye kama wo line no enti mamem chero se Ghana Post for ebo wo mo moden pa na UK wo mo be kwa ma Europe wo mo de be kwa ma USA Australia South America Asia and afei abibre ma ahodo ni nyina no wo mo ebeye ni nyina ama na mamem kai won so se kente batakari achedie pia pese wo de bo obi Ghana ha mantem bia mu ene Ghana Post for ni nkita ho no mo mefa en rap ne fefefe mfa nkoma edipa kro ema wo obetumi a WhatsApp wo hawo ne bibia pese ono mudi enkomo wo ho no afa 0542 527004 0542 527004 and I say at Ghana Post GH _ Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Follow mo nani wo mo eni nkita ho Ghana Post secured smart deliveries. St Andrew Senior High School for so na free. And to aso school no se aba na ba ye kora nye ne form 1 form 2 form 3 ni nyina no wo mo age omanfo ya wo mo epese wo ko ekosua de mesre wa da SHS courses na no wo mo era ne bi omo campuses no doso asinfo so bi wo ho akra ni wadu bi ase edunkwa no fe mankasim shama na se hwiasanwe so wo be hu St Andrews SHS mesre wada fa abaneko ho o pese ne daachi ye fe nko ade a mesrew fa ne ko obetuma for St Andrews in Penifo 0244696911 and also say 0207891004 na wo mo ebeje wo so Franco Sibronya adru biem ayamo no ma didwafe mu ni nyina ye omani so Franco Sibronya to ade na wonche wade to ade na wonche wade wo se laptop na obeto Nokia phone Samsung iPhone Smart TV a free 32 inches kwaka 85 inches obecha wade Franco air conditioners 1.5 horsepower 2.0 horsepower and 2.5 horsepower and so to awo mo air wade CCTV camera installation and the connection obe connect ya ma phone and as we fidie bi a wo pe baby a wonam bia be hu de ekoso wo bia ya wo de camera no abono enti ene Franco phone nkita hon ko Google Play Store and as App Store ne download the Franco trading app no eto phone so obi hono a ene mo moto nyina gu bia abogu ase obetimi kura place order utua wo dan no kura no mo de bebro 030-222-5651 and 0246-422-338 ne kura ne 0555-939311 na wo mo ebeje wo so na nkitahudie no akoso kama o still no phone papa fie omma wo mo enu mu di dwa na wo mo ehwe Adom TV nyina no efisia pa na me kwei ma me fa woda passion ku wei emma medofo bi happy birthday nkoma Joseph Ado Yobo executive director Emma Total Family Health Organization edwumako mo de body condom se bedwa so was I head of operations Emma Harvest Praise medofo ye dododo yakopon sharp if you cook a hop and was here emphasize na see we emma na this is where they just emejebre na me kind pepepe emma esan say so for back when I say was here na who can a birthday or say help me wish my wife a happy birthday Pastor Christine. I thank you for accepting to marry me. You believed in me and saw a future in me when many people didn't. On this special day of yours, I say may the good Lord bless and put smiles in your heart so that it can radiate on your face even in difficult times. Happy birthday, my love, Pastor Mrs. Christine E. Opoku Achampon. We every so for penny a champon ya wada Adonai Revival Church. Ano. So for mama, here you never show happy birthday. Ushia me a frame. I'm not sure ba. Achwa sewa me kwe de na kai se bedwam djuma de aka che nyina no etwa so efisia pa.
Asem yidika inna beka akwasi insia Commander 6
Makacho da bia say the obuoni ni die ene beka yasem Yesro nyame mesro nipa be the buoni ni die be manipa Isa se ni nipa netie ni empani force ye ni etumi dia hye omonsa se woni enim fe kobɔ cha asase so no e de akoma pa etie isa se okura ye ntumi mu medin dia kwasi ensia asemi di kabre ena asin me channel peso ajebre ne ba hwe small do a word my happy birthday and call for my Reverend Dexter 4 Sapon head pastor of ICGC Jesus Temple Kofo Yonkoya na sa eye regional overseer ewo Eastern region voter and OT regions of the ICGs we free Maxwell Kudeko onum Reverend so wish you all the best na me chiraw no nyo kese kopim se obeye kese pa also happy birthday to Obia odin birthday eneden man for the second come Kingdom Herba omna ko fa Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules e de abadwa so eye do tatahwe abua mani padwa na hodin etimi abamu enchere ni padwa na emre from ka bi fel padwa ma yade ahase etiesim exercise immune system na no ayemre immune system ni enkwam a ekuniti aya no wodu eba ni padwa nim etiade bi edu su grima exercise immune system no ano ayemre unya Kingdom Garlic Bitters anane capsules nomna boost to immune system na ahoden etimi emrem tremendous capsules ye man dia e man di siesia o himfie honom ayi white ya de bia wo man himfie bia mene fro na udru what is yes we will refi papam and todo bia keke todo papa onu ma unsa konya e kire ha bia e ye Kingdom Herba fondo New Kingdom ginseng power capsules. A year drose. Pebina no mate. Na ebo aye pa. Ghana ba bi aton do bi akwansa ebeka bi ato. Atufo F1 enkyere Kingdom Herbal Center Okanshi Drug Lane. Bibia na afre 0275 804064 0275 804064 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenger. Ana pa me kire wade bi e wo TV so ye dubro nya save there. Scammers adore so pa. When you say because you must because it be a do. Scammers adore so pa. You rubber yemu. Oh, me twa man for sale. Says an uncle for at the social media so. Especially on Facebook, Instagram. Say ya toniema. Baba komno dudwa na antonche. Eno na brante bi efrem abramo man buruso do afem ya man buruso. Mama keke ma obi chat oni abrante bi have here scammers ne baako. Or see our delivery van where scammers no. Our delivery van will be coming to Accra today for delivery, so you will get it today. The delivery is free, but we accept payment before delivery everywhere. 81 ade na ode ebron unya kra nsuomu ehuye bo se tuaneka ansa na deliver the amount mama free ana men chiro ne man bia omo to mafama for product pictures no dey to pages and omo no NSS som na etons ha product no eto omo so produce sa ne man nyina so no emo omo so ni na honom won e krasa ne man nyina so mo ni eno because crofo bi di mo business ni di no e sei enema odwam. And then I will hear until be up a so bunia. Be up a set or mass or funny as it or Nicotum. And it's so sad, it's so bad. It's so sad. Some men thought, dear, I dare not mean so muno, what's the mean Chiaka and son what deliver the mammy. But one, man, Falco my jaw line. In your education, be on them. Shadow man jaw line. Ekwa betimi afa so betimi detect SARS camera. But my joy line. My fa my joy line. Ekwa betimi afa so betimi detect SARS camera na ba be kire. Alert online fraud tricks to you should be aware of. Near di kan yesem pacho. Obi fraud se wo to ade online. No aka to se chiaka ansa na de abrewa eye fraud or ye fraudster or ye crowfo or ye tutubotom ni ewi. Yedi kai mesi wo to ade online na ni pa kwa catch say chiameka ansa na ma deliver the amawa dodo na ye frosters ye kan say obi adwuma but ba bia keka kono ya mamamfo so ani ana ho no mu a nipa bebre be fa ho asɛ ya mamfo nwuma ye bi se won na ton nwua ni bebre bi se won ho mu a or is all Chiaka class and deliver Jana Mao. So times or some approach, you know. I start some approach, you know. Moi, you told you free more online, ya. Musi and Chiaka and what deliver no. Most of approach because say do not scammers no you see. Say scammers do not tell you what dia. It's time some approach, you know. O delivery guy na work on or say or no near this kind man and na send mobile money pa go do na na saka was this kind of amount. Scam ni ados we memu dodo. So bia falsa hu yen aba eti no so fa nadwe e nadwe biti krofo. Sister ni o land enforcement number bi. Onim land en bia so free wo ba ni. Yesu itimam fo yem ye ni na ho. No kura so wo no. Yema ye ni na ho. Come see Xmas wa mo ani ana ho no mu a obi do ho benya ba 2000 adi ne kwa no we no bia post car case yo pa na car boa ye di o se me to car no 8000 na hwe car power so to the 8,000 na so nyam ni panima kukuru 8,000 yakoto sa car wo ya etu yam kura hyew ese bi awia paskata ta kura ke beto the 8,000 unu car no osem the car ni free bogatanga na eba iso sem sika kra mi to fu ore gum na obedi usika yesu yam ye ni enna ho yami ani enna ho no ye pa mesrem am adwadifo and then some of the online shops ni omudi sabo say ye fa ko Africa Home Shop ready she had here we say no Aspali family de kra KB Family Home Appliances oh yami ani na wo sa na ma say bi ho we o say na company deal to hun sa no sa be na say no etwembe se 2,000 but no so de ma 1,400 etu hu ya we de ne buofuo wo betua no ato no adi sika kwa onton hwe unya tua le tum na ne onya receive say kim next time for na phone off ya me ani now what is KB Family Home Appliances threaten the Aspali family ne kra ya me ani now also back was a Fresh Appliances Ghana and then see oh yep me ni na ho ne wo nyina no no ye kasa tenten because say obia pese odi obia pese odi na djuma no we had make say pala pa je me na school for ye me da ma say so et unu price say na me see ebe twu our prices no from ba because on one ton she it was cast for ton we cry 800 Ghana cedis the amawa now send 800 na on lose she because on ton she fam ma ye me ni na ba me ko no ye ma madwadefo ye sremo ni die mo ye nim se so ton so fom wa ye di but enema ne bo no e bia ba fom ne ne bo ba fom no ye ton abofo kakra fama atofo ni nya se na bronya dura e na afi atwam bronya no e ye cha afi bronya no da bi ye yire ye nema bo no bi sododo ye nema na ye to no ye yire bi bo sododo ye ma prices ni bi mra form because na bu kodwemu a prices ni bi bra ba form ba kana je fra kata na na kofa ye no se na na bo no wo so ne se ma anto ankote a e be ne beti de bia ba betena dwom su si antonema because onima ne bo na dendodo ye kobro nya se twamene bo ena de ti dwom twamene bo me so ye twade ni se mo wa ma me so wo costo medina doku junction me so wo costo na bi esi amane ma bo no etimi amafo a ye ne man beka fridge ye ne man e beka fridge no kro wo no ye ne man beka fridge eni man bo no wo do but between me no me nim say ye kodwa so ena ene Alice prices number from kakra ye man reflecting I reflect on ye ma ye to no dwadim I reflect ye why baby ayede no kro no ma me sene wo ne mama ayede ne ma no no so free ba beto ne mamu so ayede this ade ama no but let's find a way betimi meti ye halfway onko akofa ne mamu say enko because price ne too much enye bronya yi be se nanu na nsa ne ye bedi bronya ne kwa ma why billionaire enye that 3 days ne ma na beto no ene mo be wiase nyine skani da bi nyen ton ne bia ye nwere mbo metimi nye bia to yesu nya kakra de ahwefie bedi dia kwasensia ye fa na se koma Kingdom Herbal of the Kingdom Garlic Bitters Kingdom Garlic Capsules abadwa so e kama say tremendous capsules so ho e ma ne de ma ne se esi wa hifie New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules be man de boy simiari nya de free wonom e ma be ma yosem wo pam ewie mode atufofo ni enter Kingdom Herbal Center or Kanshi Drug Lane Biana Frame 0275 804 064 0275 804 and 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 pese mu etwaso Famra Badwam Jumedie eso on Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, and so we be ashe ewo hodom. Na pem giri se wo ye pa da so age breso na wo de share. Very good morning enko emfama contractor ba ko ese Ghana ha de. Menim ni pa onfa gradency ne kwanso ne adwuma pa ya wo ye. Oko especially sunyane importem wonum dia je se obia agena tumo anesa. Na Ghana for so da wase se oye adwuma so kese sa de boa wankasa wo man. Esan so mai de bia beka se nyina ya afam de kakra and beboa ma o man Ghana enso etimi awie peyo. Good morning to you, Alex Zebua. Yeah, wo sunyane aminshra e de adwuma den ya wo ye. And more a very good morning to MC Yowo Asante Mampong. Honorable Thomas Happy Akubi. Also meet you on there and a member of parliament. Poku Amprechum Saponso meet you. You have a second here and come Kingdom Home Estate. Kingdom Home Estate. And no any estate will be a epe aquacotrem. And one estate is a gun idea. Obia peso kotra go me se ukosa estate mu a tourist site na atwa ho ahia entu amanfo te painting kwa efre chichini bencheye eba enstahwe oba bia wankasa ate na odi enum kra na wote dada Kingdom Home Estate baby ehye ne ye ewo yie papa baby ehye no ewo yie ehye yie eye kama komo chine kopa mo dan bi to ate de be aka just security intact. Security, because CCTV cameras ebo estate mu enyinada apart from bedroom hall any wajaye baby afa bia CCTV camera ebo honum Dr. Abofa woni abie ote real estate adwuma nase akwan da so ensuo ba nkane akpo ho bibia jerem say jinsa Kingdom Home Estate otuan mu abamu emu de biada the home says your sacred promo bia by ne so by and chabet be between 50 to 70% down payment they can spread in best 2 years the amount so the future now want me how the twa ne kotena wankasa fie emu bibia na friend na ginchite mu 0536 149961 0536 149961 and 0303 939987 0303 939987 Kingdom now say no challenger. Ama me no wan say efri ya de obinya so na efri ya de ya de ama nipa bebrabu waka dem. But until luck here ba nka na ma ya de aka wa hye dem. Ghana wo kan bibidura ya sabi o ma biye pa enim de wono mu yemu a luck here ba. It say stroke, diabetes. Se be ma na so ba na wo hwan yi de ama oba wo so me so na so bu nsa na wote ya wo a baby I make for them a lucky hair bar center. Komakachi na omo emwa. Bifiomo ewo gomwa ogwa krom wini baswedo kwante pon so frame 0243 201 244 0243 201 244 and 0277 465 855 0277 465 855 lucky hair bar or se waye lucky. Abiafota se yebetwe enkomo Dr. Kingsley Nyako a member of parliament manager wo kwada so wo kumase o man asante mantemo watase wa erba wetwe enkomona ke hwere mu se yebenya NDC member of parliament also ejina ma adehye wo Amenfi East constituency Nicholas Amankwa but baby onam no traffic na yin den tie bompa so timbedura na ja na to aso ede akwa medura ne se enye bo apayo ene bia ma na mfa ma baby akwa dama traffic no ayin mo gine ho a enye Dr. Boko de
Onyame adom nya
ye da nyankopon aso constituency
Onyame adom bone bia nim
not me for forms
Onyame adom na metimi fa no mamintia atwefo ne atiefo na kanka kwada so constituents
yeah
what be say no Onyame adom enra na me free Kumasi Banka no pa no
okay
but me team ne adofa largely no me delegates about to be constituency executives, some of them, and electoral coordinators, and council of elders and patrons, and I mean the larger position executives now. I'm looking from on my behalf. And to my first, I'll call you so Adom say. Na my dark class of consequences so I say. Na me say, Jumana, your fear, no. Na me Adoma, or may Adom na Yatuaso, Akoso, Abua, Quadaso, constituency near Santa Mai, and near Oman Ghana. So, many I'll be Samia. I know I fly.
For more year.
Yeah, when Madam, I mean, so far so good. When say elections there, I mean, Newcastle, you're complacent, but you also you're confident.
Yeah.
Now, we have for more there. Now that can all their money and coupon because if you ask no, so coupon is in you have for more there. So when we say, you man I no, it's what for so. At the end of the day, no, position executives no, I'm a delegates no, I'm not on the side. Yeah, so you man is not coupon them yeah be. When we say you man no, your parliament and a machine bedroom. Now there is also a constituency. At least you call a parliament no, almost 3 years. January 7. I mean, you call parliament. You call Badwam. You may no. Quada so Yamakwada so Nima Benyam. It's answer debates on the floor. Maybe on my parliament. Minya Yamfa Yahunyade NGM first time MP. We call fire hands out. Your official report no. We call fire order paper. Ube who say I mean. Kinsley now as a constituency. Then we are no your future a womb. Or back constituency so a Juma ya no. Kakwa yetimia no when you say quite so for no money by the and so. So so I mean media presence party no ya ne wa ban mu. Media so no ya be homodin anytime be a fair biano. We do our best so we share these 3 areas now. Parliamentary work, constituency work, and working for the party and government now. Let me say, for more day, about more day. Yeah.
So one of your constituents, you didn't come in was Sunday at the Yama Semimbiana. Memang responded to. I'll say 2016. Samu Kodo Nyama. Edmo party na 90.01%.
Yeah.
But in 2020. Odomoba around 87.5%. The NHS will be to me a retain minimum on what you vote. So,
Unim, say, oh, yeah, electoral analysis. Also, we share the contest now.
Okay.
Do it. Yes, sir, you got it wrong. 2016, the enthusiasm, the yen was changed. And to share at almost every region, MPP, your votes no. Of course. So almost everywhere. Ashanti region, I was part of the electoral process. The liaison between the party and the EC. Your name was strong room. No?
Yeah.
I was part of the team. 2016, Ashanti region, you got about 76% of the votes. Come to 2020, we had about 71 or 72.
Yeah.
Right? And everywhere in the region, apart from some few, about 2 or 3 constituencies are among votes in Kosovo. And Kwadaso, Ashanti region, over the percentage of the votes are. Kwadaso, even though we had 87%, we were the highest in the region.
Oh, okay.
That is a fact.
For the whole of Ashanti region?
Yes.
2020?
2020. You can check for the parliamentary presidential ballots.
Okay.
The first constituency in Ashanti region was Kwadaso.
Yeah.
Followed by Bantoma. 3rd was Bekwai. 4th was Bosomtwe. Menchia South was 5th. I'm talking about percentage of the votes.
Okay.
And all determining presidential elections are.
Yeah.
You need percentage.
Yeah.
So even though we had 87%, that was the highest in the region. And so many dynamics.
So the president for the so-called 87.5 in 2020.
Yeah. Yes. Akufo-Addo, yeah. So and as a party person, he made Hanum and what went on.
Okay.
what I say, internal policy, men can want them. But I work so hard. Me see me now, we are two na me campaign.
We say
all the odds.
And you may be see ma party vote about from in 2020, not just because of your personality.
Hard. Everybody will tell you I work so hard. 2 p.m. na me campaign. There I told 7 December, my father died around 11 a.m. but I still fought that battle. 11 a.m. Then I was told, say, your father is no more. But I executed the election. Mana, me made declare ballots in every year. I worked so hard. But you see, I'm telling you, say, in the region, I think, say, Bantuma and I appreciate it.
Okay.
But Kwadaso was the best in Ashanti region. Opa checking MPP.
Okay.
Throughout the country. Checking share constituency are only the highest in terms of the votes. Percentage checking. Oh, you know, yeah, checking.
Okay.
So Kwadaso was phenomenal. And yeah, in 2020 MPP. Look, if you look at our parliamentary seats from 169 came to 137. So the election didn't go all that well for us. And for you to still get that percentage of votes was quite remarkable.
That's you were short by I think around 2.5%.
Yeah. And I also
but GD also made me actually that 2.5% in 2020.
Absolute figures, no.
Okay.
Yeah, appreciative marginally over the 2016 votes, no.
Okay.
But percentage, no, we were the highest.
Because maybe a more registration of new entrants, no, echoes record.
And maybe on my main camera, no, I'm telling, even Kwadaso, for some reasons, no, registration, no. Our numbers, we didn't get our target. Some people didn't call for free, Kwadaso call other areas, I'm going to register.
No, this is serious.
Yeah. Some people did that. Election, you know what happens in that day. But the point and so the statistics given by that person is for trouble. I'm telling you that regardless of this, no, Kwadaso was the best in Ashanti region. And again, and Akufo-Addo about 87% of the votes, followed by Bantuma.
How many name for free Kwadaso register?
I'm saying that, I won't say anything about.
I've explained. No, can you internal?
I'm saying election there, Obia pay advantage, not that. So, Obi to me.
So the person that wanted to fight war plus the party.
May say, and I'm hoping, sir. So, because of some of my opportunity now.
Okay.
We'll still maintain. We'll do our best to maintain, the feet. Your Chucky, yes, Kwadaso was the best in terms of percentage of the votes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe on the executive secretary at the National Accreditation Board. On daily graphic and man pay before se call issues daily guide for challenge.
Yeah.
Baby musi MPP there much than much check mama e mano atimi atwa. So be ko dem ko ya bon say to but the case them say they said the case the ba
what's the results no?
Yeah. Odi muti ba you one with the highest score so far.
Yeah, okay, so what's the results no?
Yeah.
At least I think from 2017.
Okay.
But results no. What's the results no? An improvement over the Yebeto year no.
Okay.
So the performance has been improving. So for me, I'm not surprised because maybe a term now or share performance now, especially core areas of maths and science now.
Yeah.
Now the percentage now our form we could do about 25% and all that. More data be at the right time. I'll put them across. But I'm not surprised. Even last year, what's the results now? We saw an improvement over the previous year in terms of the core subjects now. So for me, I mean, fees in high school, no, about say, about take the right decision, no. So, because even though we have some challenges, they mean heavy sector of our economies, no, challenges. However, about fees in high school now, I think we made gains. What's the performance, no, okay. and later on, in opportunity now, okay. I can give you, some empirical data to support, say, fees in high school, no, what's the performance, no, encouraging.
Okay, so for example, share English language, say, for 2015, it was around 45.2%, and a movie called 51.6% in 2016. 2017 year call 52.2%. 2018 year drop year to 46.9%. 2019 year rise call 49.06%. 2020 year call 57.34%. 2021 54.08%. 2022 60.39%. Then 2023 73.1%.
That I was talking about. So no shall continuous improvement. In the performance of what's the results now. So fees in high school, no. The data now or the no HSA. Because 2016, 2015, check the performance. The performance was not
so
good at all.
So, but maybe say everything so kakra the same 2018. Say yenya 2 shortfalls in 2018. English language, then mathematics. But also the same 2018 now. Appreciation by integrated science, 50.48%. Then social studies, 73.25%.
But I'm saying, sir, we share the performance under the new patriotic party. No?
Okay.
What's the level now?
From 2017.
Even the lowest no component better than what we inherited. And I think, sir, I've seen the figures.
Oh, the lowest better than
what you inherited. Yeah, share what's the performance, for example.
Okay.
What's the performance?
So what's year 2007?
Yeah, I'm starting from 2010. More data from 2010. 2010, for example,
okay.
24.9 candidates obtained credits in English language,
okay.
mathematics, and at least 3 other subjects.
Okay.
24.9%. Okay, let's say 25%.
Yeah.
2011, 43.9% had credits and above A1 to C6 in mathematics.
Okay.
Okay, 42.10% had credit and above A1 to C6 integrated science.
Okay.
And 76% had credit and A1 to C6 in the English language.
Okay.
2012, 38% of the candidates passed with 5 or more credits, including English and mathematics.
Okay.
38%. Then you come to 2014, English language, 45.2%.
Okay.
Mathematics, 32.4%. Integrated science, 28.7%. See, figures new.
Yeah.
We come to 2015. Mathematics was 25.29%. Integrated science was 23.63%.
Okay.
Look at the numbers. So
yeah. English
was 50.29%. 2016, English language now move a bit higher to 53.1%.
Okay.
Mathematics was 32.82%. Integrated science was 48.48%. 2018, English, 46.79%. A1 to C6. Mathematics was 38.33%. Integrated science was 50.52%. We share 2016 and 2018. Now, when we say English language was 53%, right?
Yeah.
2018 was 46.79. So
yeah.
That was a dip. But yeah. Mathematics was 38.33 against 32.83 in 2016.
2015.
Both 15 and 16.
16 appreciated by 1%, equal 33.12%, as against 32 point.
No, the point I'm making is
4%.
Mathematics in 2018 was 38%.
Yeah.
Mathematics in 2016 was 32%. 32.8. So 32.8 it could be 33.
Yeah.
Okay, 2015 now, mathematics was 25.29, which is 25%.
2015.
Yeah.
2015 mathematics.
Yeah.
I think check is 32.4%.
Okay, the
2015.
The figure I have here, mathematics, A1 to C6.
Yeah, that's A1 to C6, yeah.
25. What I have here is 25.29. Also, figure next.
It was 32.4%.
Let me.
For 2015.
Okay, so I have 25.29. We can check that one.
Okay.
2016, I have mathematics 32.83.
Yeah.
You have 33. It's the same because I want a figure.
Yeah.
But about 2018, mathematics was 38.33. So the two figures now can on 38% now is higher, isn't it? Integrated science, 50.52% in 2018.
Okay, so Dr.
The point I'm making is that then from then we come to 2019.
Yeah.
English was 48.9.
Yeah.
In mathematics was 65.31. Integrated science was 63.1%. Huge increases. 2020, English was 57%.
Okay.
Mathematics was 65.71%.
Okay.
Integrated science was 52.53%. All these figures now are higher than 2015 and 2016, averagely. Averagely. Look at 2021. English was 54%, maths was 54%, integrated science was 65.7%.
Yeah.
Last year, English was 60.39%, mathematics was 61.39%, integrated science was 62.45%. And you can see that they are even above the average.
Okay, so virtually in 2015 and 2016, the highest score Nankasa was social studies, which was 57.4%, against 54.5% in 2016.
I'm looking at, the excluding social studies, in math, science, and English.
But Oshe way, so people's argument almost make it say there has been expansion in enrollment. So totally it translated into number for the for a better at the final round. So we share 2015, 2016 as compared to 2017 to maybe 2023. The number of enrollment for our SHS across rich and this. It is a numbers numbers in person across emano enye nwanwa bebre.
No. With many increase enrollment.
Okay.
But the interventions any corrector.
Okay.
You will still have the failures. So numbers for me encash.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, because you see, it's about the numerator and denominator.
Okay.
Say numerator 100, denominator 100. You still get the perfect number, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's an intervention. But menya ubeko school be amodoson ome pass it. Ubeko school omo and also ome fail it.
Okay.
It's the intervention now put to in place now.
Okay.
In natural sense no. The numbers no air doson. That's a one year normal year and I'll be massive failures as a teacher. Oh child here, small class, large class, a class of 20, a class of 100. What I say, 1 year careful, class of 100 no, because of classroom management. 1 year careful, to me ensure say, I'm kind of bad day. I'm going to take the emotion I say. Because 20 there, you can easily control them. So the numbers no increase. Now students know, it means that something good is happening in terms of the intervention.
Okay.
So, you fear to me, or be my 2, or be my 10. In normal sense, no. Like I say, 2 can be managed well.
Yeah.
It also depends on the resources you have. Or be a Nemaya 10. So, or scar. So, or coin for or the 10 money that day. So, discipline or fear. But me are more effective than Obia or a Matua or Niska now on as I said discipline in the house. So these are variables we can control. So but if you leave everything there without any intervention now, large class size, large enrollment, fewer enrollment, one year careful, large enrollment will be affected without putting in place the right intervention. So one, Fitz High School, it's good you brought this point. I show up enrollment.
Yeah.
We are doing about 1.3 million, from 650,000 that we came to meet. And on top of this, you can see, great performances exhibited by our children. Now saying, yes, science and math quiz, Professor Kaufman.
Yeah.
Because you marks no. Okay, I say Fitz Senior High School are helpful performance of the learners. Okay, check. So I'm say if you are seeing you adibia you might have challenges. They are there. Even advanced countries, they have challenges. You feel me? What challenges?
Okay.
In institutions, we have challenges, but the question is, come on, first of all, obey me, I minimize the challenges, no so. Now, what strengthen the positive sides, no. So I'm for equity fees near school. Maybe sure I know MSA. I don't have any problems say be or criticize it. So, but are there positives?
Okay.
Positives also come with them.
But are there some things that we need to any qualify for that review now over the years? I'm for a qualify. Maybe if say you factor in performance will be.
I agree.
Uphill.
I agree. That's what I'm saying. Is policy be at a certain point, you know, or say review or say analysis. Once I'm channel, or say we share progress. They say I share performance, no. Now you who say free senior high school, no. All things being equal, no. You who say gains, no. In terms of performance, no. Enrollment, no. Than before. Okay. And I agree with you. Say, can we do something differently? And only the discussion now, maybe say meaningfully, no. Or say you have, but to rubbish it, talk down about it as if say the bunny bino. That is where I have issues. At least me no should come for no. You never could be no what is it at their school be onya straight A's.
Yeah.
Why? At least onya scholarship ever one of the schools in the United Kingdom. His performance among his cohort no was the best. Or your product of a free senior school. So it's a OT and our time or let us look at the strengths. Yen strengthen, yen improve upon the strengths. No, not the issues. No, yen find we are a bit delay with issues. No, say Jai free senior high school, we will still have issues in our school system. Free senior high school, now you need issues in our school system.
Schools under trees.
Northern part of this country. Now more feeding grants virtually they were not paying anything, but still we had issues. Now we're feeding grants and call. Okay, got to a point, company not chalk company Richard the company. We didn't even have them. Emma Misata, the late, the wife, can't say or school be. I say you don't even have chalk. We didn't have fees in our school, but we still have issues in our school system. What did I say? Now arrests. In terms of some of the payments, they were all there. Now, free senior school as some account, just spending about 8-point-something billion cedis fee. So there will be issues. But I thank God, say we are seeing some improvement, and I'm sure, say Ministry of Education and Ghana Education Service. I mean, almost now, I'm sure, say they are looking at the system and also to ensure, say we get the best. Out of the system in here.
But this will be because yellow marking scheme nema yet success we are.
And come failure and come back me bawo. Oma passing to no say oma lowa. How do we do this to ourselves? It may be okay. Former Minister for Education running mate to
Professor Jenano Pokwaji
running mate to John Mahama in the last election. Yeah. Even bastardizing the system say what's he saying? Either they were taught or they were malpractices. That's what she said. Now, the way say, you are discrediting our school system. And Kolaya, dear, my choice and my passy, meaning you're more mabaso. Yes, I know more feeling. No, now you can say, I mean, you increase my king scheme now. So, my idea, you're more mabaso. So, my idea, you better. Lancashire, I'm sure say maybe we'll come there. Let us be fair to ourselves. Meaning as a country, yeah, man, no same near the idea of disagreement. But there, Emma or man anymore abanyamino. You know perfectly there. But we should be proud of ourselves about the little gains that we are making. Meaning, let us have this attitude. So, I yeah, I'll see a car. Now, and cry on Tino Oba, or this are testing by no. The back home, and the banner yard they are. And you know, Obeka say, yellow marking scheme. Is that fair? Obi ba die. Shankaya, Obi Bantino, or say, yellow marking scheme. No, your body, Obeka say, Obana yadi. Is that fair?
Have you been able to deal with our education system well?
But I'm saying that we can still make improvement. You say we have issues. My education is.
Yeah.
my child there all my life. I'm on the education committee in Parliament. What I say, my child in the University of Ghana for 8 years. At my secondary school, my child on my 18 classes. So I've been in the teaching system for some time. Over the years, I'm a child here. There have been issues. But I think, sir, we are making some slight gains in improving upon our school system.
Your investment so far,
our last year, budgetary allocation to the Education Ministry was about 24.5 billion, about 24.5 billion or so cedis.
Yeah.
This year, 29.5 billion. Yeah. You know what I mean? So we've seen some improvement. In terms of our GDP, I think this year was about 13% to GDP. Okay. So we are investing, but over limited resources. So also you need to prioritize a normal way. I want to say your core. We did some small economics. University first year, and especially A level scale of preference.
Yeah.
With late opportunity cost, so over limited resources also we'll get priorities right.
The looks as your priorities now the senior high schools. Abra as a the lower primary too much.
I think we have some interventions at the basic school level. So some intervention, but I think you bet me I am more. So I know some interventions be a to improve enrollment. Basic school level. So on some channel. And about 20 teachers dedicated on the core areas.
Okay.
So can do only because now my child level my 18 now.
Yeah.
Boy be Thomas Menu. It's a GTech.
Okay.
Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. First never now.
Yeah.
Now my child there now free Adom TV and about my 18. By 2 or 3 months. But not very intelligent. So now my catch them on that should be an opportunity to be on Cameroon and I'm the university. At those times no. Thomas some question I had to think before I could. That guy was very smart, but when you're quite uncle in secondary school, because I'm my masters and also ocean driving. That was all that could help him to get a driving license. No boise. So to Thomas and to opportunity and day, uncle. But that guy an opportunity now. Those times when you or Charlie let the blame the quality of the writing was huge. And to me, what in Ebino, and I brought him there. So I'm the driver, or the name for your boss, Abakumase. You know, can say, never penny watch a motor. So if Thomas had gotten the opportunity, Thomas would have been somewhere, you know what I mean? Somewhere. But
so maybe call break about my main summary but my summarize the message with. I was saying good morning. Greet Dr. Kinsley Nyako for me. I was saying find out from doctor. I like this question. Has government relegated our lower primary and now focusing on secondary school? Because it looks as if most of the students who pass to our secondary schools of late are not coming from government schools. Most are coming from these private institutions. Thus, if this quality are there, government cannot take credit for it, but rather people building them from their own sweat. Government should focus on building our lower primary to a higher standard. Amwako Onyina Edway Efri Kumase. I don't know where. Kumase specific. So
government will program be if you know Gallup.
Okay.
Ghana Accountability for Learning Outcome Projects. Gallup, and that Gallup, a lot of money, millions of dollars, focusing on rural areas, especially at the basic school level.
Okay.
So that intervention. I'm saying there are so many interventions there. aban yet to improve upon. Okay. Probably Edomoba private schools. Yeah. Government schools they are doing well.
Okay, me bani about share this issue now already say most of the name how he comes to arrive at the most of the students are passing to
and also
SHS.
I mean, we need to find out. But I don't have the data here, so I know what the data now. So data now
bet me boy and kwada a free private schools are call SHS and on a free government schools are or when you have good grades and call SHS. Kabila Chairman. Oh, Charlie, Minya partner. Body. Okay, everyone see
very smart guy.
Numbers now a draw for another pay. Game back happening.
Mr. Onye Professor Kabila.
Yes, I want you to baby. Say more numbers are dropping more didi and pay mu dem poto. Ba dey drop me paba. We are 2 of number 6. Ubenya another draw. Good morning to you, Rashid Araman. Ujina Epre Medina West. Assemblyman Abatoya Ebashi Ebina Rashid say father second koma man for work. Medina West Abato Empesua so nyina so damase. Though couldn't be but I still believe the battle is still the Lord's. Nyamene nimni oye eno oye man mo so da munyina masese munya gidi mpokura wonimu. Na motibe to aba e de e man. He lives to fight another day. Kel Chaco toothpaste enye since no bia e de airport ese e twelese amene no matimi ada honum kama wosimeti fita ye kama ama honde atimi aba mu a aye Kel Chaco toothpaste and I make for and I can't be na the good body test so and the and one and the other base paste now be a twelese no open papa mu de Kel Chaco and kwara no so de o care kid at the year papa ta kwara the tune no so twelese a obeso we twelese be sempresa na ko bia pebi to supermarket bia be ko bia so be ka bi ato at 4 and 0593 809227 0593 809227 and 0246 865-798 0246 865-798. Amount good smell. Other messages be namene Prof and to us. We say good morning. Those who are doubting this year's WASI results, I want to know whether NPP selected party members to set the questions, mark and grade them. Why do some people hate to hear the games being shocked by free SHS like that? Question or not? A referee Aguna or being and all day by. So, Doctor, wrapping up on the issue about most coming from private schools passing as against Omo free Aban school more. Among for free say Omo me and passing.
Yeah. So, and I'm kind of say or say in here data to analyze that. Yeah. Going to me more team. And
cash
and Pakistan. And you can say I doing say. Omo government assisted schools no omo there. Me I don't believe that because teachers now no they are highly trained teachers, most of them, all of them, because you're 20 child you can't be there.
But let's say that perception no be reality say when they call Aban school
Aban school
that's a primary no.
Because I was in primary school, you know what I mean? Meaning, I'm call Aban school. You see, I say very careful.
Okay.
Me know I'll support the idea. Say probably or say more at the level. When say you call off on me or the new discussion be. Yeah. I think say or say more at basic level, especially at the preschool level. Okay. So kindergarten education, for example, they go for now 2007. Or my kindergarten education is compulsory. Yeah. First, they're compulsory. But a Columbia or Becco kindergarten piano is being prepared so for higher learning outcomes. So because Becco first never been now started school class 1 at the age of 6.
Yeah.
And to know Becco class 1 no, then as compared to be or no call kindergarten, to you prepare before you come there. So so if you say more attention has to go there. And I think say Aban so a young more baby a bit to me. I make it that but you see maybe on the mouth very careful. Before so be say this group of people better than this group of people no. there should be some interventions. Also control so many variables. So one time control variable now. A bed is because on the face of it, because oh be a private school for ya dear chain a public school for. But unum the a cost or private school.
Okay.
And the cost or public school. So yantimi identify now and control those variables now. It makes me misleading outcome. So you know moving on, but let me say we need to ensure say school system no hugely improved, more resources. So young channel, especially at the base, it means charge more resources to the base coming up no all body are more difficult. But I want to take the opportunity to say former Minister for Education, Matepoku Plampe, or build a very strong foundation. So for our school system, no, and Dr. Duchem so our bet to us. And our credit will also go to Nana Akufo-Addo. Say or Sunday, Papa, say yenye fees in high school. Not the China Punsa, Emano, starting the year. So Emma Duchem so our bet to us. It's all well and good. Meaning as a fees in high school, no year. I am a benefits. I didn't think I got for young mom pie say I didn't energy. So those beside me question back on. Baby fee say a touch mano. Young to a dream. Not young correct young coyanim. So now say Obeka say I didn't yet. Meanwhile I'm quite so pass it. Almost pass more than before fees in high school. So how do you say it's not it's not good? How do you say that? How do you come to that conclusion? You see the evidence, the results are there. You see them. What they compare previous one now? Or still I would say, the Enquano air passing, and as compared to the passing. You don't do that. You don't do that in any meaningful system.
This brings me to this discussion. Over 9,000 teachers.
My main chair Kabila. Kabila also about town.
Also about town.
One of the finest brains in this country. Very deep, very analytical. He's a great guy. And you know, Kabila, I admire you a lot because of, your depth of, knowledge. Me say, when you're not a professor, so on yet. But I think, one day, he has to become, so that he can transfer and impact the one on other persons.
Over 9,000 teachers failed 2023 licensure exams.
What say over 9,000 failure. Also, what say about 12,000 passed. You see, God hand on his own. Also, very careful. I now also you focus on the failure. No, now because 52% are passing, 52.6%, 53% are not passing. So it means about 47% are not there.
47%.
Yes. Me, I'm saying
teachers are exams so move fairly.
July. Make a exhibition.
Okay.
Amateur licensure Wesley College.
Okay.
Kumasi koye. Year no. Now amateur no reciters so. That one 16. The one passing near 16%. 16%, which means 83% and a failure. But this one 53% are passing. And how much change curriculum no for that. First now 3 components. Previous one now assess numeracy, literacy, and essential skills. But this time no, how much is no? Now a general pedagogy and general paper, so and a special area. And they say, oh, your physics teacher, maybe assess so in physics. General paper no assess more of critical thinking. Let's say because 1+1, the amount scenario be you have to think before you resolve it. So for me, it is something good. Now, you may say, I will say land session no any honor.
Okay.
In your normal or man person, they're going to teach our children. We're going to teach our children. The first say a man personal doesn't mean so many good because as I'm so failure doesn't mean say only idea. Maybe to me see, it be now yare. Ibiana agenda was no question one say these are all part of it. That's why we have second chance reset no.
Okay.
So you find say omo man na ade no opportunity for them to be right. Ni hu say ebia sanko for no bi no ankomo kochira ade ankomo mwa. That's it. Oko medical school we are all licensure exams. Law because of admit to the bar no.
Yeah.
You have to write bar exam. These are professional examination. Yet so we call law school in best of Ghana now pass you know.
Yeah.
What I say before say you makola no.
Yeah.
You have to write an exam Ghana.
Sure.
Who will so these are screening processes to get the best out of the system. No, I'm saying say maybe what can say maybe law.
Yeah.
Law student. Nipa am culture no. We been failure. But now no it's better.
Yeah.
Which for me no on the other side no a better man from we say they have to work harder to pass. Don't take it for granted. If you come on am culture, if you come on am find serious so it will let you sit down. I mean sit up and do it well. So and I'm telling you say reset no only 16% passed. That was in July. Now it's 52%, and these are regular students. So, and the dimension of questions no are different. Where Cecil special area, general paper, I say Cecil critical thinking.
Yeah.
Critical thinking on the channel. And our pedagogy, how to teach and all that. So let's say one go through no, I'm part of the 9,000. They say, a mamu who say omo nyadie, omo who say ebian from so be nearby. It's an opportunity for them to correct it. That's it. Now Ghana for some say a man nyadie say because say omo nyadie it means say the licensure exam no is something bad. At least assume me say not 9,000 no their true performance when other variables have been controlled. Let's even assume that is it good for our children or bad for our children?
0302-211-701 0302-211-702 0302-211-703 then 0302-211-704 bet me join discussion no na ere RP up and Dr. Kingsley Nyako ye member of Education Committee of Parliament, former Executive Secretary at the NAB and Abaye GTech. The member of Parliament Madisha walk harder so wo Omei Asante man was seeking for re-election and no it was very catch the entire NDC rep and also basho so ent me ama medronya boapayo traffic okotomu ena ahano 0302-211-701 0302-211-702 equasi 4 obetimi afre na wa join discussion so ye koye demo dia ye talk us to maintain licensure exams against the campaign by John Dramani Mama say obetwem
John Muhammad ya name ya
what
emi ya say I think say are not ready to lead this country again because with all due respect and yes Professor Mills Efrima, I didn't see how Uncle Obabayo Mampeni. He became a Mampeni by default. Obayo Mampeni so nomenia. The modern and so any. The same John Mahama in 2016.
Harriet, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho ni free.
Pacho me free simple.
But yetio.
Pacho teachers license exam say what can bitterly people are complaining bitterly. Doctors are licensure. Even nurses, we do licensure after completing school. Now then, more we know I am one sign. It's emotion you may be, maybe equal. Miss Samoa, there's a crowd, nurse, no, failure. They will fail you 3 times before you get to the field.
Okay.
The emotion you may.
Madam, say good morning. Hello, good morning. Fasheme, wait to me, you know, so. Who's the Indiana?
Tio. 2016.
Yeah.
The then Director General of the Ghana Education Service, Mr. Cole or something, Minya, and the Mahama or Kase 2016-17 academic year, on being to pursue licensure examinations in this country. Mahama policy to be to pursue licensure. I feel the same person now, because at that time I think it was around August. Uncle Winnie, Uncle Bob or no be. Now there or say I don't get him. Because see, this is double standard. Is it for political expediency? Now say call for education be the students are saying say Muhammad licensure no I mean should be done away with. We have to be candid and fair.
Okay. I got good morning
to ourselves.
Morning no.
I got so free.
Me free kumate.
Mati eti wa kosi.
Usha your mama cast over the criminal. And then a bet in a bit of a boy Ghanaian. Because at least Usha Sadia yeah. Ama corruption yeah. As the Nipa no one training Nipa Kotra. Nipa root with a train you. Bibia. Yes, that teacher was here there who Kotra. Yes, that way exams and son of a baby. Binya and Yoma Emma Ghana, Yoma Bibia, or Pano Chemwa, and the Yadipa. And then a chairman papa, man, a one in this or whatever. And it's a 1 year, a patrol of a chip, near your mark, Cotrinia, do the between ya, was you free or my.
Martin, may I say, Francis, good morning.
Good morning.
Francis, so free.
But you're a fish.
Francis, you.
Mention me, dear Kakani say, me, you know, the NTR, a teacher for you. A binomo,
France minima say only what for men too, okay, and I say if we had no more.
Hello?
Francis.
What the
I have me talk, yeah.
Let's say, me, you the NTR almost slow licensure. Because, Papa, who came in?
Meet your pa.
Every prof, who years school, you have to get the license. So what you are saying? And Sana work for professional in a professional job.
Okay.
And maybe a chama na ye kuku ni emamu obi o sabi obi we teach no o kira de kro hu ni tin na nine. It is a you know say abai no hu ni say e boas central license here. Papa what you hu dia? Chiro.
But I say Mr. Nobody, good morning.
Fine morning, me da say. Me ka ba piku buduma say.
Okay.
Na ojuma pa wudi na openyini me da na say. Che MPP aban eba ye no na ma education e ko ni mo ba ye fi say enye yi tama ye former president wo no daba de no ye on ka shock kra kekekra no si ontimi ntua na ye bo say wo pe shop a wo ka fa koto o mo penyi na do pa ku fa do ni ba oni aba ye no she ni ma e ko so for education in kola e passe exam so mo passe. When you probably be a boy, man, I'm him.
Okay.
Me da afraid.
Let's say me for afraid-phobia. Doctor.
Me cannot. Yeah, dates no daily graphic front page Wednesday September 21, 2016. Things I can come baby them.
Yeah.
New teacher licensing starts 2016-17 academic year. Mr. Jacob Ko, Director General of the Ghana Education Service. This was under John Mahama and Nana Jane Opoku Ajimai.
Okay.
Adia Momo de Bano.
Okay.
Now no Okasetia for that reason. So that populism no Mapeda Mahama and it's omunyai.
Okay.
You have to think about Ghana more than interest to lead this country.
But I say
Nana Opoku Ajimai. O catch me say we have vice chancellor of University of Ghana. We have full professor.
UCC.
Sorry, University of Cape Coast, Miami School. We have vice chancellor. Watch that there for so many years, and all rubbish. License examination. Oh, lithium. Me, I'm coming.
Background.